My name is Caroline, and this channel was built on something stronger than hate. It was built on truth, courage, and family. Oh! They try to shake the ground I stand on. Oh! Try to drown me in the noise. Oh! But every lie just made me louder. Oh! Every storm just found my voice.
Some of you came here for answers. Some of you came just to see.
But somewhere in the middle of it, you became family.
And every night the day goes right, and every night the circle grows. Head knows right, more hearts than they will ever know. Welcome to Mommy Ramblings tonight, where truth stands strong and hearts unite. Bring your story, bring your light. Right here we rise and fight. No more silence, no more fear. Every voice is welcome here.
This is more than what it seems.
It's family, it's hope.
It's Mommy Ramblings. They try to tear this place apart, but they underestimate it hard.
Because when one voice stands up tall,
1,000 more will answer the call.
welcome to Mommy Ramblings tonight, where courage burns and hope ignites. Bring your story, bring your light. Right here we rise and fight. Through every storm and every flame, I'll still remember every name. This is more than what it seems. It's family, it's hope.
It's Mommy
I never thought this journey would look like this, but I am grateful for the ones who stayed. When the world turned loud and cold, when words were thrown and stories told, some walked away, some joined the fight, but you stayed here, you were my light. I didn't always have the strength, some days I barely breathed at length, but you reminded me I'm more than all the battles at my door. And I don't take that love for granted, the way you planted hope in me. When everything felt broken, you helped me finally see. You helped me finally see. You helped me finally see. Because you said I kept going, I kept going. Because you cared, I kept going. And through the darkest nights I knew I could make it thanks to you. This channel
Okay. Hello. Hello, Dookie. Hi, Lewis. Hi, Jen. Hi, Nora. How's it going, everybody? What a crazy day. So, I was supposed to do this, which I emailed them, but they're only in the office till 5 o'clock over there in the tubes. So, that was that. If you saw something about tornadoes, I was supposed to do this React Live with, okay? So hopefully that'll happen tomorrow, but every time I tried to do it, it said you can't do it at this time or something. So they had some glitch in the system, and I noticed like other people didn't have it up either, so there must be something all around. Hey, Leslie PB, how are you? I haven't seen you in a while. Good to see you. That always reminds me of Leslie Romani. And I have that Italian horn in my car that she got me. I wish I'd see her again. She was from the United States, but then she was in England. And yeah. All right. Yeah, we had bad weather. In fact, we were driving Roman home, and I told Jimmy, turn around. I'm not going. It was lightning horribly. Gia was telling us to turn around. And he ended up going because he's crazy like that, okay? I had to get out of there because I can't handle it. Yeah. Anyway, so today, I don't know if how many of you knew, I was streaming the trial with what they're calling the Timu Wish version of the Adelson clan, and that is the Grist clan. Now it's a woman, we can't figure out if she's Mormon or not, but she has 7 kids by, I think, at least 4 different husbands, and she's got a son. I think he got life in prison. He's the one that killed the sister's husband. See what I mean? It's very much Adelson-like, but on a, like I said, a Timu Wish version, right? And he killed the brother-in-law, the sister's husband, shot him 7 times. They lured him to the house. They shot him 7 times. The wife was involved in it, the mother, the brother, and there were 2 sisters that even prosecutors or the defense is saying that they probably should be charged as well. In around this whole thing as well. But anyway, I did stream that today. And then I had started off, oh my gosh, they gave me this WebEx link and it was terrible. It was a terrible, terrible link. And then I got the other link, which was much better. So we had only listened to these people with the 911 calls, so I just got rid of that. I'm just going to upload that part of it, but I wanted to go to the better version of the camera, so that's what's up there. If you haven't seen it, you should watch it. Katie comes back and testifies, and the brother comes in, the brother that shot the guy, but he doesn't say anything. And then by the time they get the mother-in-law on the stand, they say, oh, we have to go now. Now, I know tomorrow it's going to be really late start. That's what was expected. It said a 1:30 start to that trial. I'm going to check it again, and that if it's 1:30 there, it means it's going to be 3:30 our time, my time. Okay, so that. Then we have Athena Strand. Now, for the most part of today, it's the dry, and it even happened in this other trial. It's the dry part of the trial. It's the part where people just hear wah, 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 right? Because it's the DNA. And after a while, that is exactly what people hear. It's like, just cut to the chase, okay? But they literally brought on, I don't know, like every single chain of command that this DNA went under. So you got like the person that took the swabs, then the person that And each one got up there and testified, but it wasn't until the last person there, last scientist, forensic scientist, that you heard, and I'm going to tell you about it. And it's like you would say, okay, you have to remember, this is not a trial. This is not a guilt or innocence trial. He has already admitted guilt. He's already guilty. He's already convicted of Athena's murder. Now this is the punishment phase. Is it the death penalty, or is it life in prison without parole? For some reason, they wanted to bring in every person on this chain of command with this DNA to ultimately find out. It's not a lot of what I think that we thought there might be there, which really makes you think, why did he kill this little girl? You know, why did he kill this little girl? Was it just for the thrill of the kill? What was the reason he killed this little girl? What made him go that insane? You know, her death was brutal. Like, you know, she has the impressions, the zigzag impressions in her face and stuff. Her little ears were totally, her mother was saying, like totally just so horrible, such horrible shape. She was, and he kept the like abuse. It was head. It was her upper chest, her back, but you know, everybody was expecting like, and thankfully not, right? But you're thinking, okay, is there going to be like extensive essay of this child? And there is some DNA on swab, but it's not this smoking gun kind that you would expect, or something like what did the one guy say? It's kind of just like what was the word? Now I can't think of it. It wasn't minimal. It's just, you know, but they're not trying to do guilt or innocent, but they're trying to show like that he's not able to be rehabilitated and he's a danger even in prisoners, whatever. So is it enough? Is it not enough? But what really, I mean, you've really got to wonder what he killed this little girl for. Do you know what I mean? Most people that grossly do things like that do it for a reason. Why did he kill this little girl? It's horrendous. It's just, was it really just the thrill of the kill for him? Okay, so let me get you what was found on that DNA finally, and then we're going to talk about the guy with the cameras came from FedEx. Now tomorrow there is going to be a lot that the public is not going to see, because they are going to play for the people in the gallery and for the jury the audio of the murder of Athena, okay? And he covered the camera, but they're not going to put that to the public. So that's, you know, let me see here. Now let me get to, where the heck is my... thing here. Okay. Stop. All right. I doubt a headache. Okay. I took something and now it feels like it's coming back. Okay. So, like I said, here they had Erica, Renega, Amber Moss, Elizabeth Seastrunk, Ruby Kelly. These were all forensic scientists, but the one that had the report was Kristen Casada, she is the DNA expert, and that essentially is what that all led up to. She analyzed and interpreted the DNA in the case. She compared the evidence to known samples. Her initial testing on a vaginal swab showed a DNA mixture that weakly excluded, Tanner. It excluded him. But the result wasn't strong due to the victim's DNA overpowering any of the male DNA present. Additionally, male-specific YSTR testing was done on multiple swabs to get clearer results. The defendant could not be excluded from those results. Testing of YSTR testing on the vaginal, anal, oral showed that Tanner could not be excluded. Therefore, his profile was consistent with the evidence, though not labeled a definitive match. So that was that. And then let me tell you about the camera, okay? The guy with the cameras said that, where's my stuff with the guy with the cameras? Where did I put that? They were on SD cards. They're like a dash cam. They call it a, there's 4 initials that they call it, but it records in the front and also on the driver's side. It has a maximum of 40 hours before it records over. And just that's on an SD card. Like I said, that footage is going to be played only for the people that are there in the gallery and the jury. Now, then Maitlyn Gandy, who is Athena's mother, took the stand, and that was a very heart-wrenching interview to watch. Let me get over here. I have my thing over here. Where the heck is it? I have too many things going on, you know? Hold on, let me get something. It's right here. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this, Athena's favorite color was pink. And, you know, I noticed that even one of the forensic experts today had like a section of hair in pink and was wearing a pink shirt. She was 19 years old when she had her daughter with Athena's father. The marriage didn't last, but they co-parent very well. She says even they tried to not let it run over into their parenting, any things that they have together that's an issue. You know, she said that she was dropping her daughter off. They went through pictures, okay, that took place on the 26th, 4 days before Athena was killed. And then Athena was supposed to go back home to her mother's house, you know, that Friday. I believe it was that Friday. And she never, of course, went back. And the last time when she was driving there with her daughter, where they switched kids, it was halfway between her place and the dad's. She said it was a really quick switch because the father was taking them to see the Christmas tree lights, and they had to go out fast, so she didn't get the goodbye she would like, you know, especially since it was the last time she would see her daughter alive. And she talked about Athena's favorite things, including movie and popcorn nights and being outdoors with her dad. that Athena loved everything, that she loved life. She talked about her being born. She talked about the death of her mother, who died. They didn't say how. They said they weren't going to talk about that, but she died, I think, very relatively young, because Athena was only 3.5, and she had her at 19. You know, she lost her mother, you know, at like, where are we, 22 years old. So she said that Athena was actually, her mother used to care for Athena, and Athena, at a 3.5-year-old, ran across, she said, about an acre away to the great-grandmother, okay, her mother's grandmother, and said, she, you know, like, Athena didn't even know anything about death, but she said, hurry, hurry, Grandma died, Grandma's dead, something like that. And then when the mother of the great grandmother, okay, right now, went to the house, she forgot her cell phone, and then little Athena had to go run another acre at 3.5 to this other house and got this other phone so they could call for help, okay? So, yeah, pretty remarkable little girl. And so she has that traumatic loss of her own mother, and then literally, not even 4 years later, she loses Athena. She does have a daughter who is, what'd she say, I think 4 years and something away from, difference in age. And it's the best picture she loves of Athena is the first picture she took of them together. And so she talked about all that stuff. And then when they asked her, how did she find out Athena was missing? She said that, I think it was her sister that came and knocked on her door like crazy and said, Athena's missing. And she says, oh no, that's impossible. And she starts to look at her phone, and then she sees she's got a message from her ex-husband or something, or a post from him. And she knows, and she gets in her vehicle, and normally, I think they said it was like a 2-hour drive or something, which she made in 45 minutes, even stopping for gas. But she said she was on the phone with her ex almost the entire time, but then she got off and she suddenly felt like she was having a heart attack. She felt like she couldn't breathe. And was that the moment, I don't know. But she just felt, oh, I got to get there and find her. And of course it didn't work out that way, right? She said that to try to tell her little sister what happened, she couldn't for a long time. She told her that, oh, she's staying with her dad, or oh, you can't FaceTime her because she's still in school. She couldn't tell her the whole truth until about a year ago. She said that because it was too hard. And they asked her, yeah, have you been to every one of the court hearings and everything? She said, yeah, every single one except one. And then some of the stuff she said, there were handprint bruises around my daughter's neck, and because she no longer has a voice, I want people to know that she's not just some story, she's not just some number, she's not just some picture you see in a headline. She was loved, she is loved, and she is missed, and she was real, and she had a life, and she wanted to live. And no one can take that from her. Not a single person can take that from her. And I will be her face, and I will be her voice, and I will make sure that every person in this world knows that she was. And we want her in our lives, she said, and she was very loved, and we want her in our lives, and that she is very loved. And she also said that, she was there for her daughter's first steps, but not her last steps. She was there for the first breath, not the last breath. And then she said she could not watch that video. They said that they would give her the opportunity to watch that. She said she could only watch a minute or two of it. And she apologized to all the people in the jury and all of the people and law enforcement and everything that will have to watch that or did watch that, because it's just so horrible. And she said not anyone in this room besides Tanner Horner asked for what's on that video, and Athena definitely did not ask for that. The defense didn't ask her any questions. They said, we're sorry for your loss and we're not going to ask you any questions. She did say and look at Tanner and say, you know, there are some things that I want to know, but he won't even give me that piece and let me know. I don't know where my daughter's shirt is. I just want to know where his shirt is, but you know, he'd probably lie, or he doesn't even know because he didn't even care. Where's the shirt? And what was she had one other thing she said. She wanted to know where her shirt was. And why couldn't he give that to her? And then let's see what else she said. I'm trying to think. So it was this shirt. It's going to be her voice. Oh, I know what it is. When and I don't understand this, that wherever she wanted to see her daughter, and I guess law enforcement said you don't want to see your daughter like this. She doesn't look good for you to see her. So then she said, well, when she was finally going to go see her, and so I thought they were going to say when she was at the funeral home. She may have been at the funeral home, but she said wherever they went, they had to put a hospital gown on her because she had no clothes. And then she's talking about her ears were a mess, and she's talking about she couldn't let her husband Athena's father see her like this, and about having to get makeup and then having to go get her some clothes to her. I don't know why the funeral home didn't do that for her. I don't know why, like, she had to go through and do all that as her mother. I don't get that. That's horrendous. What I mean, I don't understand. So yeah, and she just said like she was so cold, and so she went out and she bought like leggings and socks and underwear and dresses, and she didn't even know like this town that they were in, Paradise, or where she should get this stuff, and she had to run around and do all of that, you know. Yeah, very sad. And they showed the Christmas pajamas. She said they always had Christmas pajamas, and she carries her red bow with her basically wherever she goes, the one that you see in that picture. And Athena always liked the big bows, and they originated when they had baby bows as big as their head, bigger than their heads when they were babies, and then she just loved her bow. So yeah, it was very very heartbreaking to hear that, you know, all of that. And the guy again, this guy over here, this is the guy that had the delivery truck video for Velociter Solutions. He's the vice president, James Becker. He talked about the dash cam that was in the FedEx trucks. He testified that he ran into some technical issues with the video after being contacted by the investigators on December 1st. He said he was able to pull up part of the video from inside Horner's truck. And what did you see when you pulled up the part, they asked him. He said it was a driver, and there was a small child in the truck. And sensing a sense of urgency, he took a picture with his cell phone, and he sent that right off to Job Espinosa, a Texas Ranger that was the lead on this case, right? And in the following days, he continued working to download the video and the vehicle location, the breadcrumbs as he was calling it, for where that truck was. And he provided FBI agents with information about the places that vehicle stopped on the day of Athena's disappearance and death, including a gas station, a bridge with what he thought was a boat ramp, and on the side of a road. Jurors, let's see, what else do we have here? So now, like I said, I don't know what's going to be. I know they're going to show that video, so they're not going to have, they'll probably just have looking at a seal or something. And the other court is due to start later tomorrow, so it's due to start, I think, around 3:30 Eastern time. But I will check that on the court calendar. And let me see, let me go to the chat now. A seal or something. On. And the other court is due to start later tomorrow. So, okay. So sad, yeah, Leslie. Jen. Okay, I don't know how many of you are watching, or which trial, if you're watching either of those trials. It doesn't look like it. I don't know where Margaret is. Margaret usually always covers these, watches these trials. I haven't seen Margaret. And I sent her an email. Let me see if she answered me, because I'm worried about her. She's all right. Little lady. Where's little lady? I know she's been having some stuff. I hope you're okay, little lady. Let's see. Hold on one second. I just want to. Okay. Sorry, I just had to fire off too. I want to make sure that they're okay. Now let's take a look at, I streamed the whole trial of the other one. You guys should really, Jimmy was like, what is that trial? And I was like, I'm telling him, and I'm like, this is such a great trial. I don't understand how, so many of you that are into trials that I'm like, where are they? Like, what? It's so crazy. But that's an intense trial, and it's got everything that you could imagine, and it's, I don't know. All the Adelson people and those, I'm so shocked that there's not more in there watching that, and everybody we had for Corey Richins, so crazy. But let's see what else is going on. Oh yeah, I've got news on that guy. The woman overboard, he left the Bahamas. I thought he would. He said his mother's not feeling well. So let's see where he's going to, Brian Hooker. Okay, he said he left the Bahamas to be with his sick mother. He said he had through his attorney said that he has left the Bahamas to see his ailing mother. He plans to return to the Bahamas as the search for his wife, who disappeared during that dinghy ride. She did not, the lawyer did not specify how long Hooker planned to be with his mother. A family member of Brian Hooker's mother declined to comment. Let's see. He told several friends his account of what happened, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so after his release, he told CBS News, "I won't be able to stop looking for his wife." He said that someone with more authority will have to tell him to stop, and then he leaves right away. Police said last week that search and rescue operations had turned into search and recovery, but Brian told them, "I want to believe she's still alive. I believe I've been told that people have lasted in the Bahamas after falling overboard for days and weeks." He knows exactly where she is. Now, Lynette's daughter, she is the one that asked for an intensive review of the facts and circumstances surrounding her mother's disappearance. She doesn't believe Brian Hooker's version of events. All right, let's see what else is going on out there. A woman killed after slashing child in attempted kidnapping at Walmart. What? Where was that? Omaha. Omaha police fatally shot a woman on Tuesday after she allegedly slashed a young boy with a knife outside of a Walmart. Investigators say the incident began inside the store, where the suspect approached a woman and a 2 or 3-year-old boy and brandished a large knife and took possession of the child, kidnapping the child. The suspect ordered the woman to walk ahead of the shopping cart while holding the child at knife point. They left the store and moved down a driveway where the two women had some verbal back and forth for several minutes. After responding to a 911 call, police confronted the suspect outside the Walmart store and issued commands. She then began swiping the knife at the child, cutting him across the face. And at least one officer opened fire, and the woman died at the scene. Body-worn camera images released show the woman raising a knife over the little boy's head, sitting in the shopping cart as the officer aims the gun at her. The child is treated at the hospital for a large laceration across the left side of his face and to his hand. He is expected to survive. Wow, that's crazy. It's unclear what provoked the suspect. Gray said the two women did not know each other. The relationship between the boy and his caretaker wasn't clear. Police are reviewing video from the store. The event appears to be an isolated incident. The Walmart was largely empty as police continued their investigation. The actions in the store wouldn't necessarily have drawn attention from other shoppers. They kind of just purposely but casually walk out of the store, so I don't think anybody was actually looking at them. Okay, let's see. It's raining. We've had like really bad lightning and it's crazy. Let's see. Let me go over here, back to, it's raining like crazy right now. Okay, here's something more about Brian Hooker. He's breaking down over his missing wife now. What, is he writing more Facebook posts? Let's see. He broke down in tears as he insisted he tried to save her. Brian, let's see here. Okay. Brian claims he lost sight of Lynette as the current carried her away, but it would have carried him the same way. But he said he can't reveal much more than that, saying, and I quote, "I cannot share anything, as you can imagine. Things were chaotic and hectic, and I just don't want to take the chance that anything could interfere with the search as it already has. I understand the Bahamian police need to do their investigation, and I welcome any attention that helps me further my goal of finding Lynette. I've been told that people have lasted in the Bahamas after falling overboard for days and even weeks. There are so many islands, there are so many sandbars, little atolls, and spits of land. Of course you think about the alternatives to that, but I'm really not capable of just turning away from this." Brian's tears were a stark contrast from a few days earlier when he and Lynette smiled and appeared happy in their final social media video together. Let's see, in their final post just 3 days before Lynette disappeared, they shared a rocking video diary of their stop at Great Guanacaste, set to the Hall & Oates, "You Make My Dreams." Lynette held the camera on a long selfie stick, and she and Brian filled their scuba tanks and explored the sandy beach. Lynette could be seen smiling and pointing out objects to her husband, who kept pace beside her. Later, the two were pictured on a small dinghy, the same one that Lynette fell from, speeding across the choppy waters. A cheerful caption said, "The excitement of preparing to dive is palpable aboard the boat. With the views of the beautiful Bahamian landscape surrounding us, we can't help but feel eager to plunge into the depths of the ocean." The post urged, "Join us as we document this journey filled with exploration, excitement, and unforgettable memories." Wow. You hear that rain? Crazy. The streams were like dry, now they're running like crazy. Baby Jessica made a cryptic Facebook post days after her arrest in the domestic assault. Remember I showed you Baby Jessica was yet, right? Let's see what she posted. What did you post, Baby Jessica? What is Jessica McClure Morales, the woman who rose to global prominence as Baby Jessica in 1987, released a cryptic social media post after she was arrested following an alleged domestic disturbance. She wrote, "Note to self, happiness is letting go of what you assume your life is supposed to be like right now, and sincerely appreciating it for everything that it is. So relax, reset, you are enough, you have enough, you do enough, breathe deep, let go, and just live right now." Okay, she was taken into custody Saturday night by the Midland County Sheriff's Office at her home in Midland County. She was taken into custody at the scene and charged with assault causing bodily injury involving family violence. She was later released after posting bond. Further details were not immediately available. Okay, and she's the little girl that, was 60 hours in a well when she was 18 months old. I don't remember her mother looking like that. Oh, that was the movie. Let's see, I remember. Oh, who's this? A double life sentence. Wow, is this the ex-California fire captain who murdered his family over a movie? Is this the guy just recently that just killed them like in December? Let me see. Oh, it broke out in August. Is this the one with the... Let me see that. Yeah, 7-year-olds. Okay. Yeah, let's see. California fire captain. I think this is the one I'm thinking of that we talked about. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Let's see. Former California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection captain has been sentenced to 2 consecutive life terms without the possibility of parole for what prosecutors describe as the calculated execution of his girlfriend and her 7-year-old son. Darren Blake McFarland, 47 years old, received the sentence on Monday, April 13th, 2026, following his guilty plea to the August 2025 killings in Cameron Park. Legal documents filed by the El Dorado County District Attorney's Office revealed that the charges against McFarland included special allegations that the murders were willful, deliberate, and premeditated. The criminal complaint specifically alleged that Marissa Herzog, also identified as Marissa Devotee Lesa, and her son Josiah Jojo Devalde Lesa were intentionally murdered because they were witnesses to McFarland's crimes. The violence broke out on August 21st, 2025 at the home in Oakwood. Investigators say it began with the family watching the movie Fireproof. Tensions peaked when McFarland reportedly grew angry over the film's subject matter and left the room. Court records state the situation escalated in a bedroom where McFarland was charged with inflicting corporal injury on Marissa by attempting to strangle her. Marissa fled to the family room and called her father to report McFarland had a gun. McFarland retrieved a firearm from the safe and confronted her while she was still on the phone. When Marissa asked if he intended to shoot her, he replied yes before he ended the call. He then struck her with the weapon, there's the lightning, and shot her in the head. The complaint details that the children witnessed the attack on their mother. McFarland then shot the 7-year-old in the chest. A third victim, Marissa's young daughter, was also targeted. The prosecution filed a charge of attempted murder regarding the girl, alleging McFarland pointed the gun at her before ultimately ordering her to leave through a doggy door. She remained hidden outside until the authorities arrived. McFarland had been with CAL FIRE since 2000, fled the scene, but was apprehended the following day in Mono County. He was subsequently terminated from his position. During the sentencing, the court heard a letter from the surviving daughter which described the unjustifiable mental suffering in the original felony child abuse charges. McFarland, who pled guilty on March 18, 2025 to the murders and the I think they mean 2026, yes, 2026, to the murders and the attempted murder of the daughter, apologized in court and acknowledged that he would be held accountable for the deaths. The judge's order of consecutive life sentences ensures that McFarland will die in prison. Wow. Let's see. Tornadoes rip across Wisconsin as severe weather slams the Midwest. Yeah. Yep. This is what's happening out there, guys. It's really bad. Suspected tornadoes ripped across Wisconsin as the Midwest faces multiple days of severe weather. There were 2 people in Florida who are dead after being struck in rip currents at Cocoa Beach. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, let's go over here. Accused stepbrother of Anna Kepner is still living in a relative's home with minor children. How? That can't be. How is he? I thought he was charged with her murder. What is he? He's out on bail? Let's see. Prosecutors. Hold on a sec. Let's get this guy up here. There we go. Prosecutors are still struggling to explain why Anna Kepner's 16-year-old stepbrother allegedly abused and murdered her in a cruise ship cabin. They say he acted without any warning. Anna's dad and stepmom have faced a barrage of criticism for allowing the 18-year-old cheerleader to share a room with 2... See, I knew there was another teenage boy. They said, no, there was 2 teenage boys aboard the Carnival Horizon. But in the new court filing obtained exclusively, government lawyers say there was no reason to believe Timothy Hudson was a violent predator. So, prior to the November 7th killing, the conduct the defendant engaged in involved the most serious, egregious, and violent crimes. I can't speak tonight. One can inflict upon another. He committed those crimes against a victim with whom he had no apparent relational strife, and whom he was being raised to view as a sibling. Further, he carried out the crimes without any warning that he could commit such atrocious acts, and despite an apparent supportive family environment. The government's position mirrors previous family court testimony, which heard that Anna, her 14-year-old half-brother, and Timothy were all close friends and referred to as the Three Amigos. Family sources have said they are searching for answers as to why Timothy allegedly attacked Anna. Let's see. Okay, let's see. He was indicted by a grand jury in February, but it was under seal because he was a juvenile. But then case was made public this week after a federal court judge ruled the baby-faced defendant should be tried as an adult and face the possibility of life imprisonment. He's currently living in Central Florida with a relative wearing a GPS anklet to monitor his location. Prosecutors, however, want the kid glove treatment to end. The defendant currently lives in a home where minor children reside, said the assistant U.S. attorney, Alejandra Lopez. Let's see. Consequently, there is no assurance any court could ever have that any conditions or combination of conditions would be sufficient to prevent the defendant from being a danger to others. Thus, the defendant should be detained. Wow. I don't know, are the parents still together? Oh no, let's see. Oh, Yeah, they're still together. Christopher and Chantel are still together despite the extraordinary strain on their marriage. They released a joint statement after we revealed that Timothy had made a secret court appearance in February. We believe in accountability and in the importance of justice being carried out, they said. Our daughter deserves justice and her life deserves to be honored through a full and fair legal process. Okay, let me see what's going on in the chat. Hello, White Angel. Let's see. Did you watch the trial today? Hi, Pudding. Did you watch the trial today, Pudding? Either one of them? Terry? Which you're lucky to be in the part of Wisconsin that didn't get the tornadoes. Okay. You love that sound? It's music to your ears. Oh, really? You like the rain? It's scary when you're driving. I don't like to see the lightning. That's why I said to Jimmy, get me out of here. I don't like it because there's trees on either side of the road. I'm like, I'm not. And then, oh my gosh, yeah. Don't like it. I don't like it. Let's see what we got. Father and son dead inside a Nevada airport? What's that about? What's that about? Kansas on edge as tornado takes shape. An active lightning storm. That was 19 hours ago, though. Somebody. Oops. After reports that New Jersey transit tickets to the World Cup will be over $100. RHOM. What is RHOM star? Oh no. Woman fell off a Carnival cruise ship. No, I don't know if she fell. She sued and won after 14 shots of tequila, but I guess she's okay. Wow. U.S. Marine. A man charged after breaking into a home, demanding to know where his child was. Tornado with 300-mile-per-hour winds. Wow. Former child star. Okay. St. Petersburg woman. Let's see what happened here. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty for a St. Petersburg woman accused of killing her 4-year-old son. Telling you, people are, you look at that family today and you just think about all these people together making such horrible, bad decisions, and you say, what in the hell is going on with people, right? You just say, what in the hell? Like, come on. Seriously, how do you get that many people together that not one of them has the sense to say, okay, yeah, what is this, fantasy time? We're not really doing this, are we? But you get all those people together doing that. It's just, I don't know. It's so crazy. Nuts. People are nuts. Okay, so there she is. Let's see. She is accused of suffocating her 4-year-old son in January. Diana Cullum is charged with first-degree murder after police say her 16-year-old daughter found her lying in a bloody bed with the boy at their Tanglewood home on January 27th. The boy had been suffocated with a plastic bag, and Cullum had self-inflicted stab wounds. 44-year-old woman was arrested and after being treated at the hospital. Records show she's being held in the Pinellas County Jail without bond. The state's notice of intent to seek the death penalty comes after Cullum's attorneys asked the court to allow her to go a mental health evaluation to determine whether she's competent to stand trial. The Pinellas Pasco State Attorney's Office did not respond to multiple phone calls seeking comment on Wednesday. Cullum's defense attorneys Daviana Braniff and J. Kevin Haslett also did not respond. A hearing about the status of Cullum's competence is scheduled for Monday. Relatively few women have spent time on Florida's death row. As of Wednesday, just one of the 247 people on death row were women. According to Florida Department of Corrections, only 15 women have ever been sentenced to death in the state, but many of their sentences were commuted or they were resentenced to life in prison. Court records filed so far do not offer more details about Cullum's case. They including a potential motive, but the state says it lays out 5 aggravating factors that prosecutors believe they can prove beyond a reasonable doubt to convict Cullum of the killing and sentence her to death row. The first factor is that suffocation occurred after committing or attempting to commit aggravated child abuse. The second factor is the felony was especially heinous, atrocious, or cruel. Then the state alleges the homicide was cold, calculated, and premeditated. And the final factors are that the victim is less than 12 and particularly vulnerable because she was in a position of trust. Yeah. Wow. All these people. Hold on, I gotta just close these tabs. Close tabs to the right. I think I gotta take another ibuprofen. Such a headache. All right, let's see. All right, so where is everybody tonight? Where is everybody tonight? Huh? What's going on tonight? Is there something big going on tonight? Is it more Nancy Guthrie faker stuff? Like, what's the deal? Is that the only thing that, if it's not that, it's freaking drama, fake babies, or possibly fake babies. What the heck? Hold on, I've got to take I'm going to take 2 of these. where's the, so what's everybody up to? We got weather. War. Okay, if you're in here watching, can you type up a 57? Oh, I have an appointment at 1 o'clock tomorrow. I don't know whether my internet's going out. Why does it seem like something's happening? I don't know. Something seems like it's... Something seems like it's wacky. So I was supposed to go do a thing with Ryan Hall. I couldn't get to work. I'm going to have to... Well, I see what it is. Nancy Guthrie again, right? People really think something's like gonna crack on the Nancy Guthrie case like that. Let's go over the timeline again of the Nancy Guthrie case. I don't know. There's something wacko going on with stuff because no, it's wacko because my own people are telling me they can't get in. Some of them are telling me they cannot get in here. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, Gladys. Why don't you lead the way, okay? Here's Gladys. Gladys, why don't you lead the way? You've been in here a couple of nights telling people to donate to me. Why don't you lead the way? Hi, Mr. Wu. Gladys, why don't you even go forward like with a good faith effort to even show anybody that you're not a troll if you are? Donate $5. It's amazing you're so concerned for me, Gladys. But you can't even become a member, but you're so concerned for me. Okay. Let's see what else we got. What are you going to donate, Gladys? What are you planning to donate? What do you promise to donate? You're very good volunteering other people. What are you going to donate? That's right. You don't even make it fun, Gladys. My goodness. Isn't $10 worth a good time for you for your little game? Or you can't afford even $10? So you're planning to match a lot of the donations? Yeah, I bet you won't even match one. Why don't you start by throwing out the first one, Gladys? Since you're coming in here and telling everybody else what they should do. Why don't you throw out the first one? That's what I thought. Crickets. Okay. Crickets. Oh, okay. All right, Gladys. Well, I see you, Gladys, and I see that you're not doing anything that you should. That is still fun. 5,000 will be great, Gladys. How are you going to get us there? We really could use that. There are people that need funds to go, and we need things. We need like a car. So that'd be great. How are you going to get us $5,000 for the trip? Oh, you're working on it? How are you doing that? How about put some skin in the game, Gladys? If you want us to think you're for real, why don't you put some skin in the game? Okay, this is all to help find Nancy. Okay. All right, so put some skin in the game. I think Nancy might be in Etta still. She probably is. That's what I think. Where are you from, Gladys? Where are you from? Where's Gladys from? Where are you from, Gladys? Gladys. Where'd Gladys go? Why don't you go first, Gladys? Just put a good faith donation in there. I don't know. Can't you do $5 just to show people you're serious? Oh boy. Okay. All right, Gladys. Maybe you should save it for your medical bills. Okay. Let me go back over here too. Go back. See what else is new. Where's the thing I want? Oh, there was something I wanted to look at. Okay. Woman found in freezer after police welfare. U.S. New Jersey equestrian shot through the lungs by her Olympic trainer tells all. Yikes. Family spring break hike ends in critical rescue after a parent plummets from a 70-foot cliff. Meteorologists are predicting a fairly chill 2026 after the Atlantic hurricane season. That's good. Fairly chill. I thought they... Scientists warn a 1,000-foot mega tsunami could strike U.S. West Coast cities. A man infuriated he was passed over for a promotion poisoned his co-worker's water bottle and shoes. What? Jimmy will say, people don't do that. That's what he used to say, stuff like that. People don't do that. Woman pulled a gun from a fanny pack and threatened to shoot children dead on the playground. I'm telling you, the world is crazy. Influencer Ashley Janae's fiance, Joe McCann, is being questioned by police. I don't know. I'm over that. It's just such a crazy world. And we still have there was this one guy who poisoned the office water cooler, and everybody in the office got sick. Oh my gosh. That's gross. But Jimmy would always say, oh, people don't do stuff like that. You know, he always say, They don't do stuff like that. I'm like, really? Yeah, they do. They do worse stuff than that. Much worse. So tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. I can't believe tomorrow's Thursday. Oh my goodness. How is tomorrow Thursday? I did get a lot of stuff up on the walls, even by myself, when Jimmy was going to drop Romanoff. I can't believe I haven't Romanoff, except the one thing I got to change that thing there. Not happy with that one. I got to put something else there and put that somewhere else. So, my head is killing me. Got my walk today, my workout, even though I have my bad knee. Still pushing through it. What did he poison the water cooler with? White Angel, what did he poison it with? What did he poison the water cooler with? Do you have any idea what he poisoned the water cooler with? I mean, was it something like a laxative that they got sick, or was it something like they really could have died? What did he poison it with? Remember how I used to sit here and I used to decoupage? I miss that. I miss that. Oh my God. Hi, Rosalita. How you doing? How's it going? Just looking at a book there. Just trying to figure out what is going on in here. You watching any of the trials? I don't understand how our people are not into those trials. Like, guys are way more into Corey Richins, and you guys, a lot of you didn't even know about Corey Richins. So I'm wondering if you're watching the Timu Adelson trial, or which I'm streaming now, or the Athena Strand trial. Or do you just want to go over the Nancy Guthrie timeline for the 80th time? Because that seems like all that's anybody's interested is to just like they have a one-track Nancy Guthrie in mind. Oh, that's Gladys. That's Gladys, Rosalita. She just comes in here and says, wouldn't it be nice if people will donate to me, but she can't even pay. She tells other people to donate, but she can't even donate herself. It's crazy. Why don't you donate there, Gladys? It's crazy. It's crazy. What the nonsense updates are on the Nancy Guthrie case anyway. We will check it out. Do 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 do. Nancy Guthrie. Oh wow, somebody finally said, it has come to my attention that there are far too many fake news stories out there about Nancy, whether it's people looking for clicks or shows like Entertainment Tonight, they all have a spin. Okay, did Nancy Guthrie know her abductor? A leading forensic researcher studied all the statistics and says the suspect is likely someone she had come across before. There is no major announcement in the Nancy Guthrie case. Stop with the rumors. Oh my goodness. Pen pal letters to women. Disturbing. What is this? What? Oh, somebody's on Twitter now. Okay. All right. What? Ridiculous. So there's nothing new on Nancy Guthrie. You want to go over the timeline for the 84th time? It's just like, how much can we milk this? Let's do another timeline video. They'll watch anything. Give it to them. They'll watch anything. Let's milk it for all it's worth. Seriously, that's exactly what it is. I don't care. You think there is anything new? They're just milking it for all it's worth. It's like, and it's so, like, I don't understand how people are just over and over the same crap. There's nothing new. Nothing new. Oh my goodness. Oh, hi Terry, you're back. Let's see. It's due to start, I think, around 3:30. Shoot. What's going on here? Eastern time. Can't see my chat. But I will check that on the court. Oh my goodness. She nuts. Yeah, I know, Rosalita, but it's like, it's ridiculous. They just hang on it, and it's the same thing over and over and over. And we've got 15 experts on tonight, guys. We're going to rehash again. We're going to go right around and rehash the same thing. Okay, we're going to listen to Dr. Ceviche now. And then we're going to go to ex-FBI agent, we think he was Mr. Applenap. Mr. Applenap is going to give his opinion for the 86th time of who he thinks did this. All right, and then I'm going to get my spouse on. And they're going to sit there in the microphone and accentuate their words and say all this stuff. I don't know. I think if it was someone I knew. Oh my gosh. Every night. It's ridiculous. Hi, Terry. So, yeah, I don't know. Just how do you go over the timeline again? Like, what is going to come of that? Okay, guys, remember she set off for Amy and Tommaso's in an Uber. Then she was brought home by Tommaso, or could be Tommaso and Annie. And the garage door open went up for exactly 2 minutes. And did somebody go in there with her? Didn't somebody not? We don't know that because they didn't release that to us. Oh my gosh, Terry, it's ridiculous. And I've made a new map tonight. Okay, I'm going to look at this, and I put my timeline in a new spreadsheet. And I've got Dr. Ceviche. He's going to tell me about that timeline. And we're going to get, I've got just 6 guys I just randomly got. They told me they were all ex-law enforcement, okay? And they did some of the biggest cases ever, okay? And that's why they're on YouTube right now, because they are just renowned in their field, and they have nothing better to do than sit on my YouTube channel, okay? While I just sit here and collect thousands and thousands in super chat, okay? And because listen, I have to tell you guys, I only recognize people that put their comment in a super chat. And if you do put your comment in a super chat, we'll pin it on the screen and I'll read it, okay? But if you don't put it in a super chat, we're not, because you don't matter to us unless you put money behind that. That's it, okay? And if you're not a member, just forget it. We're not even talking. You're nothing, okay? Because we've set this to members only. So, sorry, you're not even worth it to be here. You think I'm kidding? That's exactly what they say, okay? They meant it. It's exactly what it is. You send us a super chat, we'll read your comment. If you don't send us a super chat, we're not even going to acknowledge your comment. Half of these people don't even say thank you when they get a super chat. Okay? Or they complain it's too little. Or they complain the entire night that I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I've been here for how many minutes and I haven't gotten one donation? How is this ever going to... Oh my gosh, this is so bad. What's wrong with you people? Right? That's what they do. And instead of you'd say, the people get upset about it. No. The people, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. And they give something and then they're like, oh my gosh, Wendy, wow, $4.99. Way to step up to the plate, Wendy. You feel like I'm kidding you? I'm not. Or they say, write a joke. And the $4.99. Look at this joke. It doesn't even make sense. That joke doesn't even make sense. What? Would have been much better if you wrote it like this. And they never say thank you. Never say thank you. Hey, don't feel guilty. What'd you do? Why do you feel guilty? For what? Are you just joking? Thank you for the super chat. Let me play you a song. See, we recognize our people here. Let me get you a song. No, but it's like, it's so ridiculous. You know, and half the ones that say that they're giving money to something, half the time it's some shyster thing, okay? There's always some shyster activity about that. Hold on, let me get your song there. Terry, thank you very much. I do appreciate that. Let's see. Here you go. This is for you, Terry.
Whoa, super chat, look at you. Sending love, we see it too. Thank you, Ramblers, shining bright. Mommy Ramblers, love tonight. Lights are glowing, hearts are true. Every word we feel it.
Thank you, Terry. Appreciate that. Oh, Gladys makes you feel guilty? She shouldn't know. Don't let Gladys. Gladys is a faker. Gladys is a total faker. She just is a troll. She's just trolling. Total faker. Gladys is the total faker. Gosh, what the hell? Yeah, let's see you match Terry's, Gladys. Crazy. Find her, pray. If they find her, she will go directly to a hospital. Sitting at her house. I don't think they're allowed to sit I thought they weren't allowed to sit at the house anymore. Yeah, I don't think Terry, I thought they weren't allowed to do that anymore. I thought they weren't allowed to do it. Terry, they're still allowed to stream outside there? Because I thought they weren't allowed. I thought the homeowners association complained, and I thought everybody said they're not allowed. They can sit at the house, but they can't have any vehicles there. They have to park a mile away and walk in. Yeah, but are they allowed to have tents and everything, coolers and all that stuff? That so they can have all that there? And then I'm surprised somebody must drop them off, right? They can get dropped off. I don't know, Terry. I don't know, but there's a streamer that's there every night and his girlfriend drops him off. Interesting. I don't know. I don't know. There's so much wacky stuff going on right now. This whole YouTube is like the people that just cannot get off Nancy Guthrie. It's just how I don't know what. There is no latest. There's no latest, Rosalita. There's been nothing latest. It's just they just rehash it and rehash it and rehash it. It's crazy. And the people just eat it up, hook, line, and sinker. I've never seen, I mean, I don't know. Yes, we have Summer Wells, and this is the kind of caliber as the Summer Wells case that you just keep. That's what I'm saying. People are like, aren't you doing Summer Wells? Yeah, when she went missing and there was stuff, but there's been absolutely nothing new in that case. Oh, well, because these other people are there. They're inventing stuff. Okay? Oh, my gosh. Sebastian, it's like the same people that did Summer Wells. Like, okay, we all did Summer Wells when it happened. But the people that went on and milked that case and called it a cash cow and called it like just atrocious things, a missing child, a cash cow. That one. The little boy in Texas, remember him? Chase. You had people there that were posting things you couldn't even believe. I called some of them out on it. I got a lot of hate because of it. And then Sebastian Rogers, that's another one. It's totally not about a missing kid. It was totally about all the drama in between and all these YouTubers getting involved in all this stuff. And it's ridiculous. But this is the Nancy Guthrie case. It's right on. It's right on. It's just going to be like, they'll be talking about the Nancy Guthrie case 2 years from now. Still talking about Nancy Guthrie? Yeah, because there's a conspiracy. We've got some new. We've got Dr. Cervici. Are you still here? Why can't law enforcement do a weekly? They're not doing that though, and they, I think it is something with their show. I don't know. We'll see when their show comes out what exactly they have put in that show. But I don't think, I don't know. It's like the sheriff would rather do media interviews. He doesn't want anything. I don't think he wants anything to do with Brian Enton anymore. I don't think he wants anything to do with News Nation. I think he gives them just certain networks now. And but it's ridiculous. I just don't understand. There's certain cases that just get on like this, and I just don't know how. It's just like there's nothing new, and it's just like they invent stuff. Well, there's nothing new in it, but we could take it back to the timeline. Let's do that. Let's bring the timeline. Yeah, Terry. But then a lot of the same people that say that are in these other chats, like just going over the same stuff. Same stuff. It's like, I don't know. And meanwhile, there's really good trials on. This is what I don't understand. Really good trials on. I'd love to have like a spirited discussion about the daughter, Kate, okay? She took a plea deal. She led her husband to his death. Now today, they were saying that, first she said she cheated on her husband just with a one-night stand. And then we're hearing, when you were in Utah, right, didn't you use your hotel room that the police gave you after your husband was killed? And she's like, so I just thought like maybe I'd use that hotel room. Yeah, it's just, there's such, intriguing content. If somebody really wants to follow true crime, these trials, the other trial, Athena Strand, saw her mother go on today, like I said, absolutely heart-wrenching. Tomorrow they're going to play only for the gallery and the jury that horrific video where Athena is killed. And I believe it's going to be mostly audio. Yes, I already went over that, Terry, the guy in the Bahamas. Yeah, the guy in the Bahamas. He left the Bahamas to go to see his ailing mother, but he's going to go back and start searching for his beautiful Lynette, just as soon as he's able to, because he's going with the hope that she's alive. He's going to go on that hope that she's alive. And there are people he has found out that have lived for a long time, which reminds me, we watched that documentary as we had a member and Patreon movie night. We watched that documentary, that Carmen documentary, and I didn't make it through the whole thing because I was exhausted, but that's something. Will the U.S. get involved with the case? Yeah, I would think so, but I'm like, why? Where is Lynette? I think Lynette is buried on land. I don't think Lynette is anywhere where he's saying Lynette was at all. I even think that he might have chopped Lynette up and got rid of her somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I don't think he was floating, drifting, as he said, drifting on that ocean from, 8 o'clock at night till 4 in the morning? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Not me. I'm not thinking that. Thinking that, let's see. Yeah. I don't know. I think she's buried on land somewhere. Either that or... but you would think, I think he was in cahoots with that other guy that said, oh, the bull sharks would come and they're in the feeding frenzy. No. Bull sharks don't just consume humans like that. There would be some part of her that would surface. It's not like that. Did Lynette and her hubby have marital problems in the past? Yeah. Yes, I've went over them extensively. Hi 61. How are you? Yeah, I went over them extensively. They had domestic violence calls. They had where she was saying to her daughter that he said he did choke me out. He's going to throw me overboard or something like that. Yeah, I went over them. Yeah, it's terrible. Terribly. What else? Trying to think. I love to get into a good case. I just can't stand to sit around. Let me see. I have an evidence. Let me see. I was supposed to have an evidence. Let me see what I've got in evidence. An evidence thing here. Hang on a minute. What did he send me? Where's my evidence thing? I think I have the arrest of that girl. Let me see here. Downloads. Let's see what we got here. What is this? Didn't I extract? I didn't extract this. Let me see. No, I did extract this. What was this? What is that? Hold on. Let me try to open that with something else. Who is that? Oh, this was that lady with the. This one was that lady that hairdresser. Hold on, that one. That's not the one I'm talking about. I thought that other guy. Let me see. Yakima. Okay. She's saying she gave me the interview with wrong. Received a link to one video. Okay, well, where the freak is it then, lady? Download it. Okay, view it. Well, where is it? I don't know, I have to go through my stuff here. I just feel like looking at some kind of a, I had a, what do I have for, hold on one second, let me check what I have on this one. I have this other case. Documents, Amber. Let me just search evidence here. Package 2 of 3. Distraction. She's saying that. She's saying
So
that
you have to.
his interview is in here somewhere. Where is his interview? Oh, was that? That's rock. It's not rock. Rock was it?
What's your relationship with Clea?
That was not rock. That was a young kid. Rock was a older guy. I don't think she knows who Rock is. That's what I think her problem is. She's thinking that that kid right there is Rock. That's not Rock. Nutty, that's not Rock. Rock was an older guy. Rock's an older guy. Why do I still hear it playing? Shut down. Okay. Kimberly. Kessler, I went over her. I wanted to go over, which was that interview with Henry Tennant again, because I think a lot of you have not seen that, and that guy did not pull that trigger on what's his name? Brightigan, Jared Brightigan. And that's something, and now he's saying he didn't do it, and I believe him. And we've always believed, and those of us that watched it in here always believed it. That was he never relented, and he was so believable, and just, oh my gosh, he was just somebody that they pinned this on. I think it was that other guy. Let me see here. Here we go. To Lynette, what'd you say about Lynette? Yeah, marital problems. You can't watch the Athena Strand. I have a hard time watching. Very traumatizing. Yeah. But the other, have you watched the other trial? Are you watching the other trial, Rosalita or Terry? The Timu Adelson one, the Grist? It's very good. You know, and then they had the mother-in-law on tonight, and liked when you started showing the body cam. You mean the ones we don't know, the mystery, true crime, the ones we have no idea what they are? I think I still have mystery, true crime. We have no. Yeah, I have mystery body cams. I can get more mystery body cams too. Let me see. What do I have? Mysteries. Or the mystery. Mystery true crime. Let's see. Hang on. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what this Chicago arrest. Let me see what this is. Body worn camera. Let's see. I have no idea what it is. See what it is. I have no idea what it is. Hold on. I have absolutely no idea what this is. We should put the Mystery True Crime Saturday night because I don't know what it is. I can tell you that it says...
Yeah, who's the main person?
It's in Illinois. There's no sound right this second.
His expertise is on it.
And I have to tell you, I have no idea if there's going to be bad language or anything. I've not seen it. I think I know that lady in the white jacket. I really think I know her.
I'm Sam.
Sam? Okay.
She looks like somebody I know.
Good job.
She looks like Letitia Stalk a little bit too. On a good day.
Ambulance, because she said she hit her head. I lose conscience. I did.
She hit her head and lost consciousness.
Okay.
They're cutting the sound in and out because they're giving.
16.
Update this on the ticket. Update this on the ticket.
1622.
Just update
I'm
it.
sorry.
I need a timestamp.
5022 North Ash.
Yeah, we use 5028 for that.
Oh.
First, because it was right there.
What happened to that? What happened? Just what happened?
I don't know. That's you. I was driving.
Okay. Where were you coming from? Where were you coming from?
My friends. Are you?
5020 North on Aspen.
No, I'm just, yeah.
It's fine.
Were you drinking?
No.
No?
No.
Are you,
Don't answer any questions according to...
Man, if you're going to be interrupted, then probably have a set over here. Because you're interfering right
She's
now
fine.
in an investigation.
It's fine.
So,
Oh.
you just have a stand.
so what happened just right now here?
I'm up here. So I'm up here.
Keep cutting sound on this.
Coming from?
Apparently, this is November 10th of 2024. In the 5,000 block of
I know, but where were you
North
coming from
Ashland
prior
Avenue,
to that?
Chicago,
They
Illinois.
pulled me out of the car. I don't know.
Okay. Alright. Are you like, did you take any meds today?
No.
No? Oh, here.
It's driving me nuts. He keeps cutting off his sound.
Alcohol coming out of your mouth?
Do you?
Yes.
I'll do
Excuse me.
a test.
It's up to you.
I'll do a test.
I just want to see if you're like safe to go home.
I'm
You
fine
have to
to
submit
go
like a
home.
few tests for me. Are you willing to do it? It's up to you. I'm not forcing you. It's up to you.
Well,
No waiting right now. Either you do it, yes, simple yes or no.
no.
You don't want to do it?
No, my
So
attorney.
I already have enough
Okay,
to like
so
take
my
you in.
attorney
So.
will be here.
Your attorney's on the way. He would like to talk to this officer.
Okay.
Her attorney would like to talk to this officer.
She could.
He's right behind the ambulance.
Okay. You know she could call at the station. So. Does she? Did you put her DL in the ticket?
Yeah,
You
we
did?
got it all. We got pictures of everything.
Okay. All right. So.
On the police phone.
Okay. So it is what it is. I mean, I smell alcohol, so
Scott.
just want to see if you're safe to
I'm
drive
not
home.
doing any of those tests.
She doesn't look that drunk, does she? She doesn't look like really drunk to me. I don't know.
It is what it is. You're gonna get under arrest for DUI.
No,
What do you mean no?
no,
I mean, what do you mean no?
no. Wait for my attorney.
What do you mean no?
Talk to my attorney.
Yes, we're gonna wait here.
No, he could come to the station. She's gonna get under arrest
He's
for.
here. He's parking his car right now.
Just stand up, ma'am.
No.
31's on scene.
I'm gonna put down a report that you're refusing field sobriety test.
Yes.
Okay? So, I got enough here.
He refused, so
I got enough.
yeah. Once
But
we go to the
station, then you can call.
She said she want to go to the hospital.
You wanna go to the hospital?
No.
What do you mean no? We call an ambulance. We just wasted.
You
their
said,
time.
do you want medical attention?
We just wasted their time.
You don't want to go
I
now?
want my attorney.
Stand
It's
up.
not heavy. Your weight,
Stand
man.
up.
You asked for an ambulance.
2
You
minutes.
wasted this fine
No.
people.
No.
She wants to see the ambulance.
You just refused them.
I want to see the
Oh, it's driving me nuts. They
But hold on.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
You got a very
One
small
second.
wrist.
You're not going anywhere.
Under arrest. Make sure you she has very small wrist. Careful.
I'll make it loose, okay?
That alcohol smells strong.
Well, there was a bottle of wine. I put it in the butt and
You put. Why
well,
would you
they
put?
cocked it. And there was in a bottle.
It's a half empty. Let me double.
2022.
2022.
One in custody for 501.
I guess.
2049 on the clock.
She just wants to be looked at. So.
Oh my God, you guys.
I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
So we're going to have open alcohol in the car.
You know?
Can I go with you?
Oh, here comes my attorney. Saving the day.
She's gonna have.
Oh, he coming right now.
She wants to be seen by
You gotta go ahead.
No,
You gotta
I
see.
need to see my attorney.
That, he's right there.
He's right here.
Is this the cuffs okay? I don't
Yeah, no, my attorney.
I just gotta make sure. In custody. Was driving under the influence.
She refused field sobriety test.
Struck a bunch of vehicles right there.
That kid's open bottle of wine in the
That's not an
vehicle.
open bottle of wine in the car. So
I didn't drink it. It was.
now she sounds.
I went to.
don't say anything. Don't say anything. Yeah,
No.
listen to him. No.
Not yet. I'll get to this.
I
Yeah.
refuse the field.
I'll get to that.
She's gonna go to an ambulance, and then they're gonna go with her. And we still got
I wanna go
how many
outside
cars did she
somewhere.
crash into? A
Two cars.
Two cars.
And
You guys do the just regular traffic crash.
Yeah,
And I'll do the 501
or
part.
switch.
Okay. So
Let's go. I got all the stuff on the phone. I'll give you the phone. Or unless you want me to send it over to you.
Careful.
do you have bandos now?
We're just gonna have a seat on this stretcher.
Next one is
I've seen.
Just do regular traffic crash?
Right. The one you were assigned to.
No, this one.
Okay.
Who's doing this one?
We are.
Just regular traffic crash?
Right.
And this, then I'll do the 50 part.
Okay, let's see. I think I have some more on this. Hold on. Or did I just? Hang on. Okay, let's see. Do. This is, I guess, it's another officer that arrived earlier. This might be his car camera. Let me see. We got another one. Hold on a minute. There's another one.
Nothing.
You don't just like mess with.
It's my attorney.
Well, I'm not talking to him.
Okay.
My attorney. My attorney. My attorney.
I have no idea. I've already got a driver's license here.
I'm fine. It's fine.
Ma'am, we need you to exit. It's not you telling us we're not taking your word for it. We don't take nobody's word for it. We don't need that.
I don't need that. I already told you
We
to
just
put that
need
away.
you. We just need you exiting so we know you're good. You just got involved in an accident. It's like
I did, but my friend is coming. If I go outside, I'm not going to be like so secure. And then my friend's
secure.
coming.
You know, everything is on video and audio recorded.
I know.
Yeah. So can you exit?
I can.
Okay, please do. I'm waiting for you.
Can you hold that?
Well, I'm not holding anything
Just
for
put
you.
it on the dashboard. That's fine.
No.
We are not going to hold anything for you.
I don't need it anymore. You can put it in the dashboard. That's fine. Just need you to step out.
I'm good.
Ma'am, we know you're good. We heard you, but you need to step out so we can see if you're good.
I'm fine.
Okay, I know you're fine. Just exit the car then.
I don't have to exit the car.
Yes, you do.
No,
We're giving you a lawful order.
You were involved in an accident. You're gonna have to, or we're gonna assist you, make you exit.
I'll wait.
So you better off
I'll
just
wait
exit.
for my attorney.
Are you going to exit or no? All right, you need to exit.
I will be fine.
Okay, whoever this is. She says she knows you. She said you
She
texted
does know
her.
me. She's my friend.
Okay, so exit the vehicle then.
No, I'm not leaving the vehicle.
Ma'am, if you don't exit the vehicle, I'm gonna help you to exit. And you don't want that.
You don't want that.
I
I'm
do.
an elected official.
I actually do. Elected official of what?
Cook County.
Cook County. You elected which office? What's your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam who?
Hey, Sarge. Is it okay for her friend tells her to walk out, to step out?
No, she's saying she's an elected official
I
of
don't
Cook
want-
County.
I don't want to
Okay.
be on the video.
Oh, you are on video.
You are on video. You're on
It
a
has
video,
to be on
ma'am.
video. Yes, ma'am.
So you need
I'll
to.
wait for my attorney.
Okay.
Nope, I'm waiting for my attorney.
So she's not exiting. We're gonna have to make her exit, and we do.
Okay.
She is not compliant right now, as you can see.
Does she?
And she says she's an elected official of something we don't even know.
Does she need to be compliant at this moment?
Of course she does. She was
Well, I
involved in
mean,
an
can she
accident.
wait? Can she wait for her attorney?
No.
Well, regardless of
She
the
was
attorney being here
involved
or
in an
not,
accident.
we
Okay.
still have to conduct a field
Even
survival.
if the attorney is here, there's nothing he's gonna tell her. She was involved in an accident and we're doing our investigation. And obviously she doesn't want to. Ma'am. Okay, here's the thing. You were involved in an accident, correct? So you're gonna have to exit. If you don't exit, then we're gonna make you exit.
That car.
Can you give her a
Sorry,
second?
that's
I think you should do
Give her a
that.
second.
That's all you have to do.
That's the attorney.
Get out
You
of
told
the
her you
car.
have to exit.
I think that's
Okay, we told you to exit.
you need to get out of the car. Yes, do that. That's all you gotta do, and then wait for me. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'm waiting for him.
Yeah, you gotta come out.
You get out of the car.
Exit
I'll
the
be there.
car.
Be careful with traffic now. Stay right here. Stay right here. We don't want you to go out, get involved in the accident.
Okay.
It's fine.
Now you can hang up the phone, ma'am.
No.
We're still doing our
My
investigation.
attorney.
Okay. Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety tests or no?
No.
Okay.
No,
Are you
wait,
being
wait.
arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. We were waiting for
You have to
that.
arrest her.
Because she just refused. I asked her to do field sobriety tests and she refused. And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. Oh, so you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
Yeah.
All right? Okay.
No, I need
you
my
wanna do
attorney.
field? You want to do
I
field?
need my attorney.
He's on the.
Man,
here.
And now she's
can
slowing.
hear you.
Now I can.
They're arresting me.
She's.
Okay. I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would wait
5 minutes.
until I get there.
You're not gonna wait. Let's go. You've been transported.
Not gonna-
She's not
no,
doing the
I'm
field
not
sobriety
going.
test.
I'm not going.
She's under arrest
Give
right
her
now.
my purse. Take the
Here,
purse.
here's the purse.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not going.
Okay.
063.
Let's- hold on.
31.
Wait. Can he go? Can
Let's
she?
go.
Can you give him
Hi,
5 minutes?
I'm not that.
No, we're not giving him any minutes.
I'm just escorting you to the car.
I'm not that mean.
She's not doing the field, so we're not gonna be field drinking. She struck a bunch of cars. Okay, she struck a bunch of cars. We're taking you in.
She
Come on,
struck
man,
a
let's
bunch
go.
Have a
of
seat,
cars.
please.
Can we just like?
No, we're not. We're gonna sit in the car.
That's why. That's what you got. Uber. You got taxi. You could have done all of that.
Okay, have a seat in the car. Let's go have a seat in
No.
the car.
Have a seat.
Have a seat in the car.
Can she just
Let me get on the other side.
Have a seat, miss.
I can't.
She's in. She's
All right.
in.
You got a small wrist. No, we have to.
Give her a second.
You want to do the field? You want to do the field?
See.
We ask you to do it, and you say no.
Okay, have a seat in the
You're
car.
saying you guys are
Field
so
sobriety
like.
test is tight. tight.
Oh, I do feel a sobriety test.
All right, do it. All right, come on. Give me a chance. This way.
This
way.
Free line, Sam.
Ma'am, we're not mean. You imagine somebody crash, somebody. And that's exactly what we do.
No, you should stay over here.
Turn this way, please.
Sam.
Sam, so you wearing lenses?
Yes.
You wear glasses. You have them on right now.
I've contacts.
Can you see me with that? Can you see me with them? Okay. You
I mean, I cannot see like.
All right. So now, how's your head? You have any injuries? Your
I
head
hit
is
my
good.
head
You hit your head? When?
when I hit the car.
When you hit the car, did you lose?
I don't know what good means.
So you want an EMS? You want to call an ambulance?
Yes,
You want us to call an ambulance for you?
that would be good.
Okay. We'll call an ambulance.
But I can I can do the sobriety.
You can do it? You
Yes.
sure? Okay.
No.
So
I want
put
an ambulance.
both feet together like this. All
Yes, I would like a
Okay.
ambulance.
Put both feet together.
I would like an
Can you do it?
ambulance. Yes, I can put both feet together.
Hands together like this. Like.
I need an ambulance.
Okay.
I need an ambulance.
You're under arrest.
It's weird, but yes.
Okay. Just letting you know you're under arrest. So now when we go to the hospital, you're still under arrest.
Okay. You have my phone?
Hospital. Do you know which hospital?
We don't know. It's whatever the ambulance decides.
Not yet. We don't know yet.
Hi, heart. Watching mystery.
This way.
Okay, ma'am, you cannot get too close because she's under arrest. She's in custody right now. So you can.
True crime.
Who's an expert?
Yeah.
Somewhere.
I think this is the part that we saw where she.
She should have called you. Called her attorney.
This whole week was fun.
So many people you could have called.
I'm the only person that.
Hey, Sarge. He's a 5'1" guy, kind of, I guess.
Okay.
I'm Sam.
Sam?
That's the okay. We saw it from this because that's when that officer came. Let's see what else I have.
Ambulance because she said she hit her head when they were in the accident, but she did not lose conscience.
Let's see what else I have. Else I have. Let me see here. Okay, that's that.
Yeah, 16.
Update this to the...
1622.
Just update.
I'm sorry.
I need a timestamp.
5022 North Action.
I'm gonna look at something.
Yeah, we use 50/28 for that.
I'm gonna turn off the car.
Which is not going to be in a good for. I don't know if you can talk to her, tell her that just have to step out, listen to her.
6020 North on Ashland.
She's involved in an accident and we're doing our investigation. And obviously.
She wants to see the EMT.
Let me see what else I have. I think I might have some other ones. Let's see.
See me what?
It's a friend's car. Comes back to somebody else.
Yeah.
Got that on video.
That's good stuff too. Coming in something else, huh? Going on? Yeah. Good stuff. Man, all that Altoids didn't help. What's her name?
Here, I got it.
She was thinking like, she's gonna crash and have alcohol in the car and... Yeah, let her go to the hospital. She's still gonna be charged though, because.
Hang on, Amazon van. We've already seen that one.
Turning off the car. She, partner, she refused, so,
I got enough.
yeah, once we go to the
Station?
station, no, she's gonna go to, she said she wanna go to the
You
hospital.
wanna go to the hospital?
What do you mean, no? We call an ambulance, we just wasted
He
their
said, do
time.
you want medical attention?
We just wasted their time.
I want my attorney.
Alright, just take her in. We should go
Stand
into
up, stand up.
It's not,
Stand
it's
up.
not heavy your weight, ma'am.
No,
You
give
asked
me
for an ambulance,
2
you
minutes.
wasted these fine people,
He wants to see the EMT.
you just refused them.
I want to see the EMT.
You gotta let her see the EMT.
No, but, hold on.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
She got a very
One
small
second.
wrist, so make sure you cuff her. Make sure you cuff. She has very small wrist. Careful.
I'm making loose.
That alcohol smells strong.
Well, there was a bottle of wine.
Yeah, most likely.
You put. Why would you?
And it was in a bottle.
It's a half empty.
Oh my god.
It's half empty. The bottle of wine is half empty, Samantha.
What? So,
Oh my god, you guys are
You drink it. I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
so we would have open alcohol in the car.
You know?
Can I go with you?
Oh, here comes the attorney, saving the day.
She's gonna have
Oh,
to
he
go.
coming right now.
Because she hit her head.
All right, you're gonna go ahead.
No,
You're
I
gonna
need to see my attorney.
He's
I'm
right
not
there.
moving.
He's right there.
Yeah, no, my attorney.
Sir, she's been placed in custody for driving under the influence of alcohol. She struck a bunch of vehicles right there. And that's her open bottle of wine in the car. So.
I didn't drink it.
Say anything. Don't say anything.
Yeah, listen to him.
Has she been Mirandized? Is she
No,
under arrest?
no, you're not Mirandizing her or nothing.
get
She
it.
refused the field,
I
so
get it.
now we're
I
gonna
know how
take
it
her.
works.
She's gonna go to an ambulance, and then they're gonna go with her. And we still gotta do. How many cars did she crash into? A partner?
2 cars.
2 cars. Our car is undrivable, so we have to tow it from the scene.
You want to talk to the EMTs?
All right,
Yes.
I got my stuff
over there, please. Thank you, Sam.
That was me.
We're recording too. We told you, right? Yeah, we did. Yeah.
I'm gonna go over there and record
There's
this.
that one. It's all that was crazy.
I don't know if you want to.
No.
Do you want me to record
Yes,
this?
I don't know who's doing this one. We are. It's regular traffic crash.
She listen, partner. When I trying to do the field, she alleged that she hit her head.
Boy, let's see. Hold on, I'm trying to see these other ones I have. Oh, I just lost my folder. Hold on a minute. Where did you go? All right, let me see here. Hold on, I'm trying to find something. All right, let me see. Redacted.
I said, if that's what you want to do, then let's lay down. I said, if that's what you want to do, then let's lay down. Hey, because she wants to disrespect me.
Hi.
So, yeah, let's talk about it.
Let's go.
This lady,
Let's go over here and talk.
I'm good right here. This lady let us in, me and him. This
Somebody
is my
else
man.
In Colorado.
I said, if that's what you want to do, then let's lay down. I said, if that's what you want to do, then let's lay down. Hey, because she wants to disrespect me.
Hi.
So, yeah, let's talk about it.
Let's go.
This lady,
Let's go over here and talk.
I'm good right here. This lady let us in, me and him. This
Somebody
is my
else will
man.
be coming to talk to you here in a second, brother, about what's going on. You know what
I mean, tell me if I'm wrong. I'm asking him very straightforward. You want to be together or no? Just lay your ass down. Do you want to be together or no? Because things were fine, and now with this, it ain't fine. So instead of him simply telling me he don't want to be together no more, he doing all this. Then this dumb bitch right here.
I don't know what all this is. That's why I'm trying to go talk to you.
That's what I'm explaining to all this, as in him being cool and then not being cool,
take a breath.
and then not. I can't get arrested for doing that shit for talking loud. I know my rights.
Well, we are in a public place. Disorderly conduct is being loud in a public place,
so let's
causing
wait
disorderly
for someone to
conduct.
come down and say, I'm
So what I'm telling you is Well, all I'm telling you is to calm down because you're getting up here and you're in my face. I'm telling you to calm down.
Yeah, because you're letting that white trash bitch right there talk her shit and then try to
no one has talked. No one has said anything. That's why I'm here to find out what's going on.
Like I said, if you want to be done, tell me that. I'll leave you alone right now. No issue.
Okay. So what else happened?
His shit got fucked up.
What shit?
His cars got fucked up.
Mm-hmm.
We end up here.
Okay, where are you guys from?
Colorado Springs.
Okay.
Right. We supposed to be in Colorado Springs right now.
Okay.
But instead, we here. I asked him why, what happened, and are we still together?
Mm-hmm.
It could be as simple as, no, we're not together. Okay, cool, you don't want that, I'm gonna leave.
I get that.
But because of the fact that he can't let me know what's up that easily, instead of saying, go lay down, that irks my soul.
Mm-hmm. your other party. She doesn't want to go talk anywhere else. I don't know if you want to take him somewhere and talk privately to him.
But be careful what he says because he's a liar. And then she wants to mention, oh, I abuse him. I don't. I have videos on my phone of him doing that, though. So what's up?
So what happens? Is it just, were you crying tonight or what? So
Yeah, I was crying tonight.
Okay. So did anything physical happen between you guys tonight?
No. You can go through all my shit. I ain't got no pills. I ain't got no drugs. I ain't got this. I ain't got that.
I mean, I'm not saying you do. I don't know.
No, but he's trying to say that him and her both said that they were going to try to tell y'all that. So I'm just letting you know off the bat.
Do you have your ID?
I have a photo of my ID.
That works perfectly.
And I have to wait until that goes away.
How much longer?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Okay.
Yeah. So.
Have you been in trouble before?
No.
Never?
Never.
Okay.
Never convicted, never went to jail, nothing like that.
Okay.
And then he, like I said, instead of telling me you want to be over like a man, he's 50 fucking 2, he wants to sit here and say, just lay down. Just lay down. Or he wants to ignore me. Fucking Joker bitch over there wants to involve herself with him thinking she gonna get his dick. Sorry, you old and washed up.
I don't think that's what she's trying to do.
No, it is. You should see the way she be talking to her in the hallways. Or talking to him in the hallways. She gonna tell me, yes, I believe you. As soon as I leave the corner, she gonna say, by the way, I just had to tell her that to make her feel better. But really, you can stay here.
Okay, did you guys
Yeah,
have
okay,
a room?
bitch. Pull up
Calm
the
down.
fucking
Hey, calm down.
I don't mind. I don't mind going to jail if I could beat her ass or his ass. What's up?
Calm down.
Ugly ass
We don't
bitch.
want to go that route. Okay?
But it's
Chill.
okay. I'm cool with it. I will beat the fuck out of you.
Calm down.
I will beat the fuck out of him. Cool, whatever. I got video. I can take. He wants to fuck me over, bitch. I'ma fuck you over. That one though, bitch.
Calm down.
You finna break every
Calm
fucking
down.
bone in your body.
Calm down.
Oh, you think I'm playing?
You heads up.
You think I'm playing, bitch?
I need her to get in her phone. Do you have her ID?
Can I call my sister?
Yeah, we'll figure that out here in a minute, okay?
So am I actually under arrest right now?
We're detained, so we're gonna walk outside, okay?
Sorry, I just get real fucking rich.
I can tell. Let's just have a seat in my car. You do this second car, okay?
Rosalina's idea to watch the Mystery True Crime. You never know what you're gonna get.
No, I have nothing in my pocket.
Can we get your ID photo real quick?
If you fucking let me.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can turn around.
You could do it real quick. Go ahead.
I can't with these on, to be honest. I'm not trying to be funny. Like, yeah, I can't.
Are you gonna calm down for us for a second? If we undetain you to get us your photo
Mom,
ID.
the only thing that makes me upset is this man.
Okay, well clearly, that's why we're here. And that's why I told you to calm down the first time. Before they got here.
But it's not him that makes me this man. It's that fucking Harley Quinn looking, fucking Jekyll and Hyde looking ass bitch.
Okay, hey, real quick. Can you look at me real quick, please? So if I take you out of handcuffs, can you just chill out for me?
Yes.
Okay, because if you start freaking out and getting loud, you're going right back in it, okay? That way you can unlock your phone and we can move on to whatever we need to move on to, okay? Does that sound like a plan? Can you promise me you're gonna chill out? That way we don't have to put you in handcuffs again? Okay. Oops, stop.
Sorry.
Moving. So when I take this out, I just want you to leave your hand right here, okay?
Okay.
Don't like go swinging it around.
And but go ahead and let them know that's funny as fuck. Y'all ain't get what you want, ho.
Okay, hang out right here, okay?
Calm down.
Alright.
Alright.
Get in your
There you
phone.
go.
He wants to talk about how he just loves me and wants my kids meanwhile he's a fucking whore. Why does it keep going longer and longer?
Let's do this. Yeah, you're good. Give me your full name, real quick. What's your first name?
No, bro, I just want him to care about me.
I know, but what's your name? We've got it. We're in contact with you guys. We have to run you guys. What's your name?
My doing.
It's Rosalita's idea, Scooter. So do you take it up with Rosalita? She said she likes to watch these mystery files.
A Colorado license? Is that what your license out of?
No, I don't have a Colorado license.
What do you have?
Otherwise, we have to go through Nancy Guthrie timeline.
So it's out of Texas. What's your middle name?
K. Renee.
K. Okay. 209 on Type 1 for a clearance on a female.
Can we go inside? Can I talk to him?
No.
Well, I want to talk to him.
I'm gonna have to detain you again if you start acting crazy, okay?
But I need to talk to him.
David, Union, Mary, Adam, Sam, first of Maya, Mary, Adam, Young.
Remember when that happened to you, Scooter?
Colorado.
Can you just go get ask him if I can use his phone so that I can call the people I'm trying to call?
Yeah, we'll ask him. They've got to talk to him and figure out what's going on in there. And clearly you can't be in there because you're...
But then he's just gonna lie and bullshit. But depending on what he says, I'll air out all of his dirty business. Y'all pay people still for Crime Stopper type thing?
I mean, if you talk to the right people in our agency, yes.
Okay,
we do drug interdiction or whatever they do.
I can do, yeah. Yeah, he wants to play this game. I'll take his ass all the way the fuck down. I know a lot about this man. He ain't know shit about me. So bad. Then the ugly one's a joke of the ass bitch want to take his side. And that's exactly what he does. He lies to get them on his side. But then you don't want to hear the truth, bitch, because you just pathetic.
Go ahead.
I don't know why it's still unavailable.
Are you feeling I was hijacked?
Copy, I get descriptors.
I'm seeing nothing came up, right?
No, it says that you have an ID. I'm just making sure it's you because earlier you said you're out of Colorado.
Yeah, like I'm in Colorado. I live in Colorado right now, but my state
Your state ID is still out of Texas.
Yeah.
Out of Texas.
I need to respond to these people on my phone. I need his phone, bro. If he wants me to leave, I can leave, but give me my phone.
Copy, thank you.
You have property in the room?
Yeah.
Clothes and stuff?
Just, I don't even know what I have in there, honestly.
How about money?
Yes.
Are you in a relationship with Craig?
His name's not Craig.
What's his name?
Troy Sago.
Why did that lady say the name's registered under Craig?
Probably because he used somebody's identity. Yeah, y'all thought that's what I'm trying to say. So y'all think y'all dealing with some innocent ass people?
What car are you guys in?
We ain't even in any right now.
Well, which one did you drive?
Got a ride in.
The crash?
You guys crashed in Raton and got a ride over here? That's what he said.
Does he know who gave us a ride? Did he say names?
I didn't ask him.
Anyways, can you go get his phone? Or can I go talk to him real quick out here, even in front of y'all?
Did he give you an ID?
He has
What'd you say his name
He
is?
has one on him.
What'd you say his name is?
Nah, I need to talk to him first.
Okay, well here's the problem. You're not going to be able to talk to anyone right now.
Why?
Just.
I know my rights, so why? I'm detained. I'm not asking to talk to him in front of that girl.
What?
I'm no longer detained.
Come here real quick, Jason. Come here.
Oh, okay.
She's like, if I'm going to jail, I'm about to throw this motherfucker on blast. She's like, you guys have to pay people for giving them information. That's what I'm explaining. Hey, that's what I'm explaining to Maya. It's not even my call. It's Corporal Huey's call. I'm explaining to him what you told me about giving information. So if he's lying to us about his name, that's something we didn't know. If that name that he said is not a name you know, or maybe you have a fake name, but we don't. How are we to believe you?
My mom's name is Misha Dumas. Little sister Alina Dumas.
What set this all off?
I don't even know. One of his cars got crashed. We were still good.
He said you did that. That's what he told me. I'm just telling you what he told me.
That's why I'm so confused. Because we were good. Okay. And then also we get here. He's acting weird as fuck. I'm not understanding it. I'm asking him to just let me know. Even if you just want to break up, just let me know. Then the other bitch gonna cut in and say all this stupid shit and make it seem like, no, well, it's just you, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. He acts like I haven't forgiven him for some fucked up shit.
What's his name? Please?
No, not after I talked to him.
So you guys are in a relationship?
Yeah, that's my boyfriend.
How long have you been in a relationship?
At least 6 months now.
And you guys are from the Springs?
Yep.
Her ID's out of Texas.
Why is it still 50?
Do you have somebody you can call that can come and pick you up?
That's why I need his phone.
Why does he have the number for your ride?
He has the numbers of our friends to come pick me up.
You don't have any numbers.
My phone is locked.
Oh.
Yeah.
Will it unlock?
No, it's like
no. That's the whole point of me asking.
It was locked for 2 minutes. She tried to unlock it and it relocked.
And it said 15 minutes over fucking 5 minutes ago.
It said she put the wrong code in and gave her another.
So it's just a matter of waiting then, and you can get your phone unlocked.
Y'all not understanding.
You're not telling us what we need to know.
I just told y'all.
You're not.
We
understand that your phone is locked.
I said 10 minutes ago. It's been saying
so 5
try
minutes
again in
left.
15 minutes.
Do you have the passcode for the phone?
If it was 5 minutes left,
do you have the passcode? Because I watched you put a passcode in and it locked it for longer. Is what I'm telling you.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Because I hit the wrong number. Yeah, but the thing is, it says try again in 15 minutes. It's been saying that for at least 10 minutes.
It doesn't stop saying that until the time's up.
No, it'll go down.
I have an iPhone. Unless you've just continued to put wrong passcodes in.
No, listen to what I'm trying to say. You have an iPhone, right?
Yes, I have 2 iPhones.
Okay, so whenever you lock it out like this, it'll start going down. Like this part will start going down, right?
Yeah.
It's been 10 minutes.
Mine never does until the time is up. It always says 15 until it goes to 0.
See, mine doesn't do that. I don't know what phone you have, but I have like the old 11 Pro phone.
What are you going to put him on blast for if you're going to go to jail?
Oh, so I'm still going to go to jail?
You're getting on my last nerve right
That's what I'm saying. Can I please talk to him?
No, he doesn't want to talk to you.
I don't know.
Said I
I said you couldn't.
What's your first name?
She was getting loud.
What's your first name?
Maya.
Okay,
Here's what he told me. You want to know?
Yeah.
He said you work for him. You guys are transporting vehicles. You crashed into him in
That's
Raton.
a lie.
Okay. And then you guys ended up here to get the hotel. This was not your destination. You're trying to get to the Springs. That's where he says you're both from.
And I try to get us there.
Okay. Well, you're stuck here until the ride gets here.
And then he said
you're not in a relationship, and he doesn't want to give me his name and ID because this is the second time today that he's had to give up his ID to the police because of you. I'm just telling you what he's telling me.
And I'm letting you know on my dead little sister who died just 2 years ago when she was 18. He's lying to you. And if you let him lie to you like that,
can you answer the question?
What
started this?
He's good. The car crash started this.
So he's upset at you for the crash.
But he was good after the crash.
So what?
I don't know. That's what I've been
So were
trying
you
to
in the
ask
gym
him.
trying to work out and he came in?
We were in the car coming on the way here, I guess. I tried to,
Where's your car?
it's not here. Somebody dropped us off here. And then some of his people, I guess. And then we
How
get
come they
here.
didn't just take you guys to the Springs?
That's my whole thing. I asked him the same thing. How did we get here? He said that. And then he said, I said, why didn't they just take us over there? We were supposed to go out of town today with our other two friends, Katie and Amy. Obviously, we're not going. I'm asking him, what's going on? Why are you upset? I don't get it. Yes, I know you're mad about me wrecking your cars, but other than that, I don't get it. He trying to say we are in a relationship. I can pull up text. It still says 15 fucking minutes.
We'll just wait on that. That's fine.
But then he never came down. That's my problem. Anyways, he says I have videos in my phone with his real name. I have videos in his phone of him beating my ass when I don't touch him once or ever. I'm 24. He's 52.
What year of birth did he give
He's
you?
telling you all of this.
What year was his birthday that he
Because
gave
he's
you?
a good manipulator, and he wants me to do this. He wants me to be the one to get in trouble.
That was when I asked him, "Are you in a relationship?" No, she works for me. She was driving the car with
I
transport.
thought you guys ran somebody. I was my.
I ran her.
Oh, okay.
Right.
So he's refusing to give us his name at all. Okay, so well here's the thing: is you're telling us that you're not at fault, right? So listen to me. You're telling us he's lying to us, giving us a fake name. You're telling us you didn't deal with the cops. So what is he involved in that is causing him to give us a fake name? Make us believe your story over what we're being told by him. What is he involved in?
That part, I don't know. He told me that.
Because you tried telling me when I first got here he was going to blame you for having drugs in your room. And you said she said she was going to blame you for having drugs in your room.
Yeah, because they were trying to say that I crashed the car because I was on Xanax or even having weed. Though I don't have anything right now. The only thing I have is...
So what's his real name?
This probably not even that no more. You say what?
What's his real name?
Troy Sega.
Troy Sega. How do you spell his last name?
S-A-G-O.
S-A-G-O.
But I gave you that. Now I'd really appreciate if I could use your phone so I could at least get the fuck out of here, even if he doesn't want to go.
Well, let us work on how... Do you know his birthday? I'll let you use my phone.
No, his phone. He has the contacts.
It sounds like he does not want to help you out at all.
But that's what I'm saying.
Well, yeah, he's probably trying to hide something, but we can't force him to let you use
this
it.
to me, but y'all aren't gonna go up to him and say, "We know you're lying about this, and this."
We haven't had a chance to go talk to him again.
And then instead of letting me ask him if I can use his phone, you think?
You know, he said he doesn't want to talk to you. He doesn't want you to talk to him.
He's only saying that right now because y'all are here.
QDA a party for me?
He thinks that I'm gonna get him in trouble. That's why he won't talk to me.
Male, last of Sam, Adam, George, Ocean, first of Troy. Is he wanted?
I don't know. Hopefully not, because he's definitely not gonna want to be with me.
Well, you guys were fighting. It's no one's fault, but equally both yours.
I was able to hold myself accountable for crashing that car, but even then, I don't work for him. I just help him make money on the side of what he does every day.
What does he do every day?
No, I'm gonna get paid if I tell y'all that shit.
Oh my gosh.
Not by us.
Right. Maybe not by y'all, but I know they got some Crime Stopper shit in general. The biggest bust of y'all life.
I'm listening.
Yeah, he's got something, dude. I didn't realize. I thought you guys were running him in there because I thought she was bullshitting me the whole time.
Wait, so the desk clerk gave me the name. He didn't even give me the name. That was after I asked if they were in a relationship and that bullshit. So I'm like, well, fuck, it's not DV, so. But.
That's weird. Huh.
Let me just make sure that she found the right dude.
Okay, now like pull him out so that I can just talk to him out here real quick.
Hold on, we're working on it.
Why are y'all calling me?
Huh?
Why does TPD dispatch calling?
Let me see. What the fuck? Dispatch is calling her. Answer it.
Hello? Hold on, I can't hear you. Hello? Yeah, that wasn't... actually, nah, can you go ahead and bring over a couple more officers? What's this place called?
Tell them you're out with 209 and C10.
I'm out with 209 and C10, but I'd still like 2 more to come because, yeah, you know.
209 on Tech 1. Are you guys
and instead of
calling her back from them calling 911? Or
him,
why are you talking to
I'm
her?
going to have to, you know, give up. They believe the bullshit he told them, so shit, I don't know, but I know the truth, so what's up?
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm asking you how you got that number. Did she call 911 and you guys were calling back?
Quality in. Go ahead.
Prior to our arrival or after we made contact?
Roll up the
I know why she's doing that. I'm asking you what time she called you at.
He changed the fucking...
The passcode on it?
Maybe they're calling from the car back. I don't know. I think they called the...
He changed the passcode on her phone. That's why it keeps doing that. Probably so we couldn't see anything. Okay, copy. Yeah, we're aware of why she's wanting more officers out here, but the 3 of us can handle it.
Because it's like, if he doesn't want to talk to me, then why does he just tell me to lay down?
Okay, so here, I'm gonna be honest with you, Maya, right now. Okay, we're not saying we believe anyone. I mean, I am believing that he's lying to us about his name, right? The problem is, there's not going to be any more officers out here. The 3 of us are all on our SWAT team. We're more than capable of handling ourselves, the 3 of us. Okay. We're senior officers. We're good. We don't need more people out here. If there's something you need to talk about, then you can talk to us. That doesn't mean that we're going to act right now, but if...
No, that's not what I'm saying. I need to talk to him.
Well, he doesn't... He's told us to tell you no.
Okay, and I swear to God...
And we're going to go talk to him more.
If you go ask him and say, I already know you lied about who you are. Do you want to go talk to her, yes or no? I bet you he'd come talk to me.
Yeah, probably, because he's changed the passcode on your phone so you can't turn on him.
I still know everything about his information without needing my phone. That's the thing.
He changed the passcode on her phone.
I'm literally 24 crying over this over a fucking 52-year-old dude. If you don't think there's nothing wrong with that 52-year-old dude, then...
I mean, we're not saying we agree with it, but you're willingly in a relationship with him, so it's not... You guys are both grown adults, right?
Right, and you think that he doesn't... You know what? I don't want to get there.
Well, clearly, I believe that you probably work for him in some aspects, not transporting cars. You said you're going to do stuff if you're going to get paid for it, so that's established.
The cars that we crashed today, I can pull up proof of that too, are from Copart, Amarillo, Texas, which is why we even came from here, trying to get back to there.
So what do you think us going to talk to him is going to accomplish?
Both of those cars got into a wreck. Okay. He was cool with me. Now he has an attitude with me. I don't understand what happened between the being cool to him not having an attitude that caused it. Instead of telling me, he's telling me, just go lay down. Okay, you want me to go lay down, but then you're also saying you don't give a fuck about me in the same breath. I don't get it. I'm confused. Just tell me if you want me to leave, I'll leave, but just tell me. Now I only need his phone so that I actually can leave.
Is he still right by the front desk or what?
Like, it's 59 minutes, like...
Well, I believe you that he changed your passcode. I understand. We've now established that. I've watched you put your code in twice, it didn't work, and it walked in further. So obviously he changed your code.
Like, literally, just go in there and tell him. We know you've already lied about a couple of things. If you don't want her to tell us everything, then just let her use your phone and come downstairs and talk to her. I bet you she moved faster than a fucking...
Yeah. Clear eligible out of Texas, supposedly. Can you...
He's out of Pueblo.
Can you see...
Springs.
That's what she said too, Springs. Can you see photos on your... if you run it in your car? Huh? I have it in mind, but you're more versed than I am. I'll give you the name. Hers is Dumas, D-U-M-A-S. First is Maya, M-A-Y-A. Middle initials K.
What the heck's going on? Oh, he's putting something in. Putting her information in.
Yeah, that's her.
She said she has a little sister.
Is someone trying to get this dude's phone to see if he...
Sure. 163 is what the...
No, they don't want you in there. Maya.
Maya K. Asian Pacific.
Yeah.
Tarrant, Texas.
She going
Is
in
this
there?
all?
She just
Maya. Maya.
I was just gonna let him know that him lying is gonna fuck himself over.
Put your hands behind your back.
I thought I just didn't have to go in there.
You're in here. This is their
We're gonna
property.
take your phone.
Like, I thought that I didn't have to be in here, like, right here. Or, like, I thought that I could still be in here.
This is all their property.
You ever notice in your pockets anything that's gonna stick your us?
No. Like, no.
Maya, stop.
Look, I'm trying to show you. So now I'm going to jail?
No, you're just gonna have a seat.
What is your last for your social?
That's what it would do with the parking, the paint.
And I forgot Mitch's upstairs. I'm about to join me. Can you please go get my bait? See, that's me. Now look at the name he gave y'all. Besides Troy Soto, I bet you won't have a matching picture of him. And what's the name he gave y'all?
I can't remember. He gave it to them. There's no social.
Texas should have one. The way they put theirs out is fucking...
I'll let you look. Jeez.
What did I say? I really need to talk to him because, one, I need to
Maya, here's where you're at, okay? You're not going to talk to him, and you're not going to keep trying to dangle information about him in front of us to try to deflect what we're going to do with you.
My thing is, I just want to use his phone to call my people.
At 24 years old, if you're not adult enough to keep the phone numbers of your friends in your own phone, that's not on me, that's on you.
No, I don't have friends in Colorado.
All right, well, we've been more than patient with you, and you're being obnoxious.
So you're going to let him go?
I don't, what do you want me to do to him? He lied to me. Okay, so I write him a ticket.
Oh, but have you even searched his real name?
Yeah, I searched his real name.
And the whole Chicken Shack thing came back about
Chicken
that
Shack?
Yeah, he owned that Chicken Shack. The dope scandal, that was all him.
Okay, well, I don't really care about some chicken place, okay? I really don't.
Oh,
He doesn't have any.
Dope scandal?
No,
he doesn't have any warrants right now.
You were all good with it, and the money that you were making, and whatever he was into, until you're on the hook.
I wasn't making any money.
Oh, well then.
Tell him to prove that.
He didn't say that. I'm telling you that.
So y'all are interested in him selling drugs, huh?
Not anymore. Okay, so either you can figure out a phone number. You know what? You're just going to jail. That's what we're doing. Yep, you're under arrest. You know. Too late. You said you were good to go to jail. Remember? You did. You said you beat that bitch's ass. That's a quote. We're past all that.
I'm gonna go. Well, I'll put it on her.
Please, I swear to God, I won't do anything stupid. I'll just leave, but please. Wow, that's crazy. Where's my phone?
We have it. Where are they at? 163. On the first floor?
Yeah, all the way down to the hallway and make the left.
Okay. Alrighty. Let's see what else we have on that. So the cops, well, they were transporting cars or something. I don't know what they were doing. Let's see. Which one was that? 933? I don't even see a 933 here. .303. Hold on a minute. 2405. 202407. Let me just see what this one is. That's the one we saw. Let's see what this one is.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not going to do anything, but the jail.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let's see what this.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not going to do anything, but the jail.
Okay, go ahead. What, they're gonna beat my ass because I'm crying?
Hold on a minute. Let's see.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not going to do anything, but the jail.
Okay, go ahead. What, they're gonna beat my ass because I'm crying?
No, I'm just talking about being nice to you. They're not going to be nice to you, probably.
Y'all are nice to me. He's not nice to me. It's fucking at this point. Like, I don't think you understand what this was doing to me.
You're not really helping, right?
I tried telling you before you even put me under arrest.
I told you when I first got there that you were being disorderly. I told you to calm down.
Because I'm upset and I'm crying. I also told you I struggled with mental health. I also told you that. And then y'all yelled. And that was before I even told y'all. And then, but I was fine then. It wasn't until I was outside.
Because you didn't stop.
I didn't even enter the building, though. That was my point.
Did you have to sign anything? Right,
like, y'all are definitely gonna fucking ruin me. And I know I get my phone call when I get there.
Yeah,
so.
they'll help you out with that.
Yep. So then, and when I hope, yeah. Oh, I hope I live on your conscience, but you're just as a dick as he is. That shit don't even faze you. You would love to see me die, huh?
Why would you die? You're the one that wanted us to go in there and tell me that you're going to snitch on him. That's what.
No, I didn't want you to tell me.
Careful.
I told you that I wanted you to go in there, letting him know how I'm feeling. I just need a phone number from his phone, and that was it.
And he couldn't find his phone. We tried that.
No, that was whenever you went in there and told him that.
Yeah, we wouldn't.
And then he had lied to you.
We told him that, and we asked for the phone.
We'll just bring it over. Trinidad 1020. Do you want some air, Maya? Want the windows down a little?
Yeah, I just don't want to.
This party on board. It's a refusal. We're en route. Beginning same as ending.
I need a phone. I need a phone number. I can't believe you would do me like this. After everything you just said to me about being in love with me, after all the help I helped him with, he's gonna lie and say that. And lie and say that that's not him. Or that I did this, not even do that. That's fucked up. He couldn't even help me by just giving me his phone. That shit's crazy. I'll fucking kill myself in the jail. I will kill myself in the jail. And I hope he is happy when he gets the fucking news.
Sorry.
He put me in a jail in a random ass city.
Trinidad 1020. I was never in your room. Where would he have it at? I didn't let him do anything. I was never in your room.
Well, that's his other guy. Where's he at?
They're gone now.
That's fucked up. So now that only guy gets to keep my fucking
I have your phone, okay?
Then why do you lie about having it?
I told you I had it.
Then
Step
why
to the
can't I
left.
make a call?
Because it's locked. Have you consumed alcohol, taken any other drugs? or
No,
other intoxicants
no,
today?
I've already done the sobriety
Do
test.
you have any pre-existing injuries, and did you receive injury during your arrest?
Yeah, from y'all. Look at my fucking
Maya,
wrist.
stop pulling away from me.
Look at my fucking wrist. And then the shit on my
Maya,
neck. Yeah.
I'm informing
that's
you at this time.
from y'all.
You have any weapons, drugs, tobacco products, or
Does it
anything
look
considered
like
to
I
be
have fucking-
contraband,
No, the drugs are in his fucking hotel room like I tried telling you.
and you enter the booking facility, you can be charged with a felony. Do you have anything on you or inside of you that you want to tell me about right now?
Again,
Maya, stop.
the drugs are in the guy who lied to you. He's the drug dealer.
Okay, well.
And you left my fucking backpack there. Are you fucking kidding me? You didn't even make sure to get the rest of my shit. You don't know me. You have my shit in this fucking room.
Maya, I told you need to cooperate with them here, okay?
I'm gonna cooperate.
Okay.
They didn't fucking. There are you. Fucking grabbing me tight and shit. And he's just somebody who lied out there fucking right. I need to talk to your boss. And what's your name?
It's Bilotti.
Bilotti? Cool, yeah. I'm gonna need your major, whoever, lieutenant, warden. I'm gonna need her. Like, right the fuck now.
They're not available right now.
Okay, I don't give a fuck. Put me on a fucking list then.
We pat searched the pockets and whatnot. She says she doesn't have anything else.
Yeah, I only
Maya,
have pockets.
relax.
Sorry. I'm just trying to show you I only have fucking pockets.
Nah, you're cool. We're chilling. We're chilling. But, oh, you man.
We don't know if there's ETOH or anything, so.
COH.
She said no.
Yeah, but meanwhile, my boyfriend at the hotel, they lied to them and said I was crazy and all types of things. Lied about his identity, has drugs there, but him and this motherfucker gonna support him. He probably gonna hook them up. Yeah, I need your manager. Finna go back and get them some little sum. Finna go back and get them a little fucking something.
What was your name?
Maya.
Maya? Alright, Maya. If I take these cuffs off, will you cooperate with me? Okay. Just go ahead and leave this one right here.
I need a phone call ASAP. I'm right. Oh, look at him. He's still here. He want to hear everything that's going to be said, or what?
Huh?
Not you. This fucker. Do I
What
just
are you
dial
doing?
the number?
That's not going to work.
So do I just dial the number?
That doesn't work.
Oh, so what the fuck? I'm confused.
When we get you booked in, we'll get you that.
Trinidad 1020. Can you send over this hard copy in the CR and whatnot?
Okay, well, can I get bonded out tonight?
Probably not tonight, just because you're still under the influence. I gotta wait for you to come down, so. But I'm asking you a couple of questions, okay?
You got to dial something out to get out?
For like dispatch?
Yeah.
No, you should just leave it that way. Alright, what's your name?
I need to.
What's your last name, Maya?
Look at this guy's face. Look at this guy's face.
I just can't.
The keys, I'm just gonna put on this.
And there ain't no phones in there, huh? So
Once we get you booked in, we'll get you that phone call, okay?
Hey, buddy, can you send
the booked in
the
takes
hard
like
copy and whatnot over to the jail for me,
Doesn't take
please?
long at all.
And what's the CR here? 951?
I'm gonna let you go in there, okay?
Sorry?
Kind of calm down.
there's not gonna be no calming down.
Me.
Well, I'm gonna need you to calm down.
All right, thank you. Just send it over, please.
Go sit
All right,
down,
bye-bye.
drink some water, relax.
And then fucking wait 3 hours to get fucking booked in.
Won't be that long. Yep.
Yeah, you said that that long, so 2 hours. Like, what the fuck?
Maya, what's your address?
I'm literally gonna slit my throat. I just can't.
She said she's gonna kill herself while she's in here, just so you know.
I can't do this. I can't.
She's
do
done
this.
nothing to calm herself down this whole time, and she AMA'd at the hospital.
And then you don't get it though. You don't get it. You must be one of those Republican ass fucks who don't believe in mental health. You think that shit's a joke? And it's funny. I'm glad it's funny to you.
You don't have any female officers at all?
We have me, him, and Huey.
But it's okay. Who cares? Y'all should have just relayed that message to me for him. I would have felt so much better.
Relayed what message to you?
To him, that's what I said.
He did. He said he didn't want you
Nah,
to do anything.
that was the first one I told you to relay. And then I changed it up and told you to go tell him that.
That you were gonna
And then your buddy came with the fucking, whatever they call it, short man syndrome. And now he wants to act all big and tall. Nah, don't give a fuck. He still has that mentality of thinking he's the biggest and baddest.
Can you get a hold of Kevin for you to me and just give me shit? Alright, Mike, can I get you to take off your shoes for me?
I'm not fucking going in that bitch barefoot.
I can get you some shoes. But
You know, you want me in there wearing this.
what do you want me to do?
Put me in there in this.
Well, I can't change you out, so that's the only option.
No, this is bullshit.
I'm trying to be chill, okay?
I know and I get it, but I also don't care because what are you gonna do to me?
What do you mean?
Oh, I'm not chill. What are you gonna do?
Well, we have the chair, I don't want it to go that way.
Oh, you think that because I'm acting like this, you're gonna put me in a chair?
I don't know, I just want
Yeah,
you to
exactly.
I want
I've
you to
been
be
a
safe.
CO before.
That's
I've
so
done this position before. I know what's right and what's wrong. Yeah, so
Look, I'm trying to be chill, okay? I don't want it to go through that. Okay?
don't put me in the chair, but you have a lawsuit coming your way. Watch.
It's for your own safety.
Nope, it is not my safety. I'm pretty safe right now, actually.
So you feel pretty safe?
Yeah.
So I'm doing my job right.
Maya, what's your address? Do you know?
The same place as my boyfriend's.
Okay, well, he said you're not boyfriend, so what's that place?
Well, he is my boyfriend. Like I said, y'all let him manipulate the fuck out of you.
What is the address there?
Ask him.
He sounded like he was pretty dumb, so I'm not gonna call him and ask him that. What is your address?
He sound like he was pretty dumb. And
No,
yeah,
pretty done. D-O-N-E. Now, can you shut up and sit down and calm down? Because we've been cool with you, and now you're starting to piss me
y'all
off.
haven't been cool with me. What
Yes,
are
we
you
have.
gonna
We
do?
gave
You
you
gonna
plenty of
smack
breaks.
me or what?
No, why would I smack you?
Right.
It's pointless.
Exactly. None
It's not your fault.
of your threats mean anything to me. That's my whole point. You can't.
Okay.
Okay. I can't. What?
Copy.
So yeah,
Copy.
y'all can't put your hands on me. Y'all can't put your hands on me.
Okay.
Oh, you think you can?
Maya, can you just be quiet?
No, you think you can? Answer that truthfully too.
You need it for any other
No, you can put
No.
it
Please.
But I get my phone calls too, so.
Can I have you kick off the shoes? Please.
Aren't you gonna put me in there?
Can you kick off the shoes?
I mean, don't I get my phone call?
What did I tell you earlier? When I book you in?
Oh, so why would I go in there if I'm not booked in yet?
I'm not making it better for yourself.
But that's the law.
So we
Yeah.
Discount, trespass,
Better female
harassment,
Or you can just be chill.
the one misdemeanor harassment.
So if
Let me
you're
do what I
saying
like.
if you don't put me in there. Or basically, I'm not. But I'm asking you a question. Okay. That is crazy. He don't even know what the fuck he's doing himself. And y'all gonna feel stupid as fuck when he gets busted and his name all over the news.
Why would we feel stupid?
Because y'all didn't believe me.
Our job is literally just to make sure people get so another cop does it makes us feel just as good.
Good for y'all. But I call that
I know,
bullshit.
I already looked it up. He's a gangster disciple, he was arrested on federal charges. I know you're not lying, but you didn't give us anything to go off of, so at this point it's just you continuing to say that he's doing something. With no proof that you have any idea.
Say that it's gonna wait until tomorrow?
Can you look up the harassment bond? Harassment should be an N3.
No, dude, it's the one. It's the misdemeanor one. $750.
I'm not harassing nobody.
$750?
And y'all definitely didn't say that was my charge when you arrested me. Blah, 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 blah.
No, it's not.
Oh,
That's
okay.
right.
Shit, we must not be in Texas no more.
Definitely
I know,
not.
I know.
Oh, okay.
We're in Colorado.
You're good. It's 750. Yeah, you're good.
It's okay. So, am I getting out tomorrow?
More than likely.
More than likely, or yes?
I can't tell you that.
Oh, so you are going to go let that female, whatever fucker you is?
I'm not, I was there.
24, what's your
951.
I'm going to meet you as soon as you're done with your stuff.
Well, how long is that? Okay, go ahead.
I'm dark.
Yeah.
Going through these to see if there are any that are not like just duplicate, of the different officers' cameras.
Jail.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, they're gonna be my.
Hold on a sec. I don't know what this is. Shoot. Hold on a second. Let me get it. I don't know what this is. And what part this is.
through his text. Okay. On the way back, she slammed into my car.
And then he, like I said, instead of telling me you want to be over like a man, he's 50 fucking two. He wants to sit here and say, just lay down. Just lay down.
1020 code 4.
Fucking Joker bitch over there wants to involve herself with him thinking she gonna get his dick. Sorry, you old and washed up. Nah, dude, you should see the way she be talking to her in the hallway. Or talking to him in the hallway. She gonna tell me.
Oh, that was in the beginning. This is in the very beginning. That guy just came in through another door.
She's twisting and turning.
Normally
Let's
act
hear what
like
they're
this.
saying. Let's hear.
So you don't want to give me your ID?
Once they get her out of here. We gotta get her out of here. Let's hear.
Good one. All right. So you don't want to give me your ID?
For what? I came out of my room so she can see what's going
Female
on.
Colorado last.
She just tore my cars up.
She tore your car up?
That's why we ended up in the hotel. She tore them both up. We was picking one up from Copart. She rammed him back at me
Renata?
with the other one.
Robert, Edward, Nora, Adam, Tom, Adam. I'm listening to you. Are you in a relationship with her?
She worked for me, basically. And,
She works for you?
And we was picking up cars, and I don't know what the hell she did. She's out of it, man. Something ain't right.
She having alcohol tonight?
I don't know what to drink. You know what I'm saying? But she did something. She did something.
So she doesn't normally act like this?
Not to this extent.
I got you. She was talking about, is there a sexual piece to your relationship? Are you intimate together?
Man, I don't know. She's saying me and this lady screwed.
That's what I heard her saying.
Yeah, it ain't got nothing to do with her and I. I don't know what's wrong. It started before this, sir. It started when she ran into the back of my car on the freeway. She ran into the back of my car.
Thank you.
She's twisting and turning and telling the police it was somebody. I don't know. Hey, man, something is not right with her tonight. That's what the problem is. I don't want her in my room. As far as I'm concerned, I can rest. That's all I want to do is get her removed. And I can find me a ride to Colorado Springs tomorrow.
That's your destination?
Yes.
I got you. You live there?
Yeah.
You do. I got you. Okay. Where is she from? Also Colorado Springs?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are these wrecked cars at?
Shit, I don't know. They towed one.
Oh, they towed them.
And then the other one was in Prospect to be towed. But, I don't know nothing about Trinidad. We wasn't even in Trinidad. We was in the wreck, I guess, was in Raton.
Raton?
Yeah.
Okay.
Raton.
Are you getting ETOH on her?
I don't smell any alcohol.
She doesn't normally act like that, he says.
Yeah, I don't smell any alcohol. I don't know what she did. That's what I'm saying. She ran into my car, and it was downhill since then.
Hey, I'm guessing, is she welcome here?
No.
Fair enough.
Nope. I'm done.
Yeah, I'm
going back to my room. Okay.
Do you feel...
All right, thank you. Yeah.
Good luck to you, sir. Do you feel personally threatened by her?
Oh, no.
You don't feel like the threats that she made to you, she would carry out?
She might, but I'm older and have more experience, okay?
Okay.
I mean, I don't want her here. She's not. This has been going on for a minute, and...
About how long, if you had to guess? It's 2 o'clock now. Couple of hours?
Since they've been here, yeah,
Oh my
off and
God.
on. I mean, not... It's progressively got this worse. I told her to sit down when she was, like, shoving him around up here. She wouldn't sit down, so that's when I'm just done. I called you guys. I tried to get her to go to her room, sit down, whatever. She doesn't want to do it.
Saw that.
I mean, just go sit down,
Right.
okay? Separate. But
All right. Well,
We're going to go figure out what we're going to do with her.
okay, all right. Thank you.
and they were in a room together, or they had separate rooms?
They're in a room together.
Okay. All right. Do you have that room number and his name and stuff? Can I get it from you, please? Book her on discount harassment. I don't give a fuck.
About where we're at.
Yeah, just if we let her go, it's going to be a real big problem.
Craig Mason.
Okay. And their room number?
163.
Springs?
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
And so, just so you know, she'll have a bond. So it's not very high, but it is possible. I can't take that from her. So if for some reason she bonds and comes back, just call.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Why she out of cups?
So she can get in her phone to get her ID.
You have property in the room?
Yeah.
Clothes and stuff?
Just, I don't even know what I have in there, honestly.
How about money?
Yes.
Are you in a relationship with Craig?
His name's not Craig.
What's his name?
Troy Sago.
Why did that lady say the name is registered under Craig?
Probably because he used somebody's identity. Yeah, y'all got what I'm trying to say.
So,
y'all think y'all dealing with some innocent ass people?
What car are you guys
We ain't even in any right now.
they crashed in Raton and got a ride here.
They crashed.
You guys crashed in Raton and got a ride over here? That's what he said.
Does he know who gave us the ride? Did he say names?
I didn't ask him, no.
Anyways, can you go get his phone? Or can I go talk to him real quick out here, even in front of y'all?
No.
He
What'd you
has
say
one-
his name is?
He has one on him.
What'd you say his name is?
No, I need to talk to him first.
Okay, well here's the problem. You're not going to be able to talk to anyone right now.
Why?
Just.
I know my rights, so what? I'm detained. I'm not asking to talk to him in front of that girl.
What?
I'm no longer detained.
You're still detained. You're just not free. You're still not free to leave.
Oh, okay.
She's like, if I'm going to jail, I'm about to throw this motherfucker on blast. Like, she's like, you guys still pay people for giving up information. That's what I'm explaining. Hey, that's what I'm explaining to Maya. It's not even my call. It's Corporal Huey's call. I'm explaining to him what you told me about giving information. So if he's lying to us about his name, that's something we didn't know. If that name that he said is not a name you know, or maybe you have a fake name, but we don't, how are we to believe you?
My mom's name is Misha Dumas. Little sister Alina Dumas.
What set this all off?
I don't even know, like, one of his cars got crashed. We were still good.
He said you did that. That's what he told me. I'm just telling you what he told me.
That's why I'm so confused. Because we were good. And then also we get here, he's acting weird as fuck. I'm not understanding it. I'm asking him to just let me know. Even if you just want to break up, just let me know. Then the other bitch is gonna cut in and say all this stupid shit and make it seem like, no, well, it's just you, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. He acts like I haven't forgiven him for some fucked up shit.
What's his name? Please.
Troy.
No, not after I talked to him.
Told you.
So you guys are in a relationship?
Yeah, that's my boyfriend.
How long have you been in a relationship?
At least 6 months now.
And you guys are from the Springs?
Yep.
Her ID's up.
And why is it, still 50?
You have somebody you can call that can come and pick you up? Why does he have the number for you to ride?
He has the number
We saw all that there is to
to
see
come
on
pick
her,
me
and I'll
up.
tell you.
You don't have any numbers.
My phone is locked.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'll tell you about. Let me see here. I just looked up something on. Maya Dumas, 24, was arrested July 16, 2024 in Trinidad, Colorado for charges including harassment, third-degree criminal trespass, and disorderly conduct following a disturbance report. Let's see. The charges include harassment, insults, or taunts likely to provoke a violent response. She is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Oh boy, let's see. And then, you know what? This is July, right? And then if I just look at for her, somebody posted that she was missing October 4th of 2024. Let me show you. Somebody posted this. Missing. Please contact if you see or hear anything. Last heard from September 3rd. This is completely out of character. She calls and texts constantly with family and never goes out without contacting anyone. She has no car and is newer in the area. None of her friends she's made have heard from her. We're actively searching. Please help us. Any information, please message me. That's her. I wonder if she was ever found. Huh. Hi, Zigzag. I wonder if she was ever found. It's time for word cookies Saturday night. Oh, we didn't do this one. Oh, I was going to do this. I got to finish this one. I don't know if she was, I hope she was found. Where's Murder of Crows? I need your help. I didn't get to finish this. Oh, I think I know this now. Hold on a minute. I got it. Ugh. Well, what is it gonna do for me, White Angel? I don't know where she is. What? Lockout. Very good, zigzag. Hi, OU8. How are you? How are you, OU8? How's it going? Oh, you're, what do you got? Colt? Yeah, very good, OU8. Very good. There's no D for cold, but good try. Cool. But I don't know where she was found. Ask High 61. He lives right there. Hi, was she found? Colt, yeah. OU8, thanks for coming in. Let's see. It would be a great case. Oh, that case we just won? Oh, she's found safe? Do you know she was found safe, LU8? Talk. Very good. All right. Yeah, let me see. Hold on a minute. Maya Dumas missing. Dumas missing. Colorado. Colorado. Where is Mariah Dumas? Maya Dumas, Colorado missing. She's 13. That's not her. Where is Mariah? No. Abandoned. Maya Dumas missing. Maya Mulete. Trinidad Police Department. I don't know. Let me see. Maya Dumas, she's originally from Texas, so let's see. Crime. She's in here under like something called Crime Watch. This is right there. That's when she was arrested. Okay. Harassment, there's what she was arrested as. Yada yada yada. And I think she used to be a teacher at the Primrose School or something, it looks like, in Dallas, Fort Worth area. But I don't see that. I don't know. Let me see. Oh my goodness. How old would she, when was she arrested? 25 she is there, so she's 25, 27. She'd be about 27. When was that? 25, she'd be. '26, 27, I don't know. I don't see her. I don't know. I can't find her, and I'm falling asleep. Hopefully she's okay. I don't know, guys, but I gotta go to bed. I'm so tired. Love you guys. I'll be on tomorrow. There is trials tomorrow. But I think it doesn't start till like 3 o'clock, okay? I'll talk to you tomorrow, guys. I got an appointment at 1 online for something, and I've got a bunch of things, but I'll talk to you tomorrow. Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you again, Terry K, for the super chat. Can I look under the county jail records? Yeah, there's not there, though. OU8. All right, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Okay. What did you find there? What did you find, Angel? Angel, what'd you find? She's okay? All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye. God bless. I'll talk to you later. Let me see how I get out of here. Oh, she was found safe? Okay, very, very good.